Let me explain. Today, we're going to be seeing if ChatGPT or Claude AI can beat Spaceflight Simulator. And what I mean by that is, can it build a rocket, can it get to orbit, can it get to the moon, and can it get to every single planet in the game? So, if it can do all those things, it has beat Spaceflight Simulator. That's everything you can do in the game that's meaningful. So, we have ChatGPT open. Let's see if we can get to it. Okay. Here it is. Here's ChatGPT. And watch this. Oh, wait. Hold on. Watch. Check this out. Look what I did. Okay, so I have ChatGPT and Claude here. And then I can just switch to Spaceflight Simulator. Boom! Crazy. Stream latency test? Dude, let me know what that is. But yeah. Okay. Oh, excuse me. But yeah, so we can go... we can import stuff into ChatGPT. Then we switch back to Spaceflight Simulator. Throw the blueprint in Spaceflight Simulator, and we also have the blueprints folder somewhere. I think it's here, right here. So this is where we're going to be importing what ChatGPT gives us. But we have to make a couple tests. Let's create a new world. Let's call it ChatGPT, and well, we could call it AI. 20 seconds, that's not bad. 20 seconds. Last stream, it was like 3 minutes. A normal version? Yes, the normal version. Hey, Gamer Studio, how's it going? Welcome in the stream. Okay, if you guys didn't get it, we're seeing if AI can beat Spaceflight Simulator. Yet! We have yet to see it happen. I did stream last time, I think. No, I did a video last time when ChatGPT was in ChatGPT 3 or ChatGPT 2 when it wasn't that good, and since then it has improved dramatically to the point that I think it will actually work. Let's start out. I want to try something here. If we go to let's see, example rockets. Let's use example rockets as basic rocket as the test data and see what I can come up with. So we have the basic rocket. Let's go to the what do I need to do? Oh yeah, example rockets, 2-stage rocket. We're gonna save that one. 2-stage rocket. Boom, we got that one good. And we got, hold on, example rockets, 3-stage rocket, save. Okay, cool. 3-stage rocket. Let's see here. Example rockets. And let's get the moon lander in there. What are some of the AI you'll be using? Okay, so some of the AI is, one is going to be ChatGPT. And if ChatGPT can't do it, we're going to go to Claude and see if Claude can do it. Because that's kind of how it's been going lately. Claude is also much better at coding apparently. Oh yeah, Verdix made these overlays, by the way. Check, dude, they look like the game. They look like the mods, a mod in the game almost. It's getting there. We need to get the arrows around this section here. But other than that, it's pretty dang good. Let's get the moon lander. Okay, and with just these rockets, I am curious. So we have date modified. We have Moonlander, 3-stage rocket, 2-stage rocket. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this blueprint and throw it into ChatGPT here. So we're gonna take. So we got the Moonlander. We gotta go to 3-stage rocket, blueprint. We gotta throw it into ChatGPT. So this isn't. I don't think this is nearly enough data to do anything. Maybe we can get it into orbit. Maybe it won't be able to build a rocket. I'm not sure. I think we could. I take it back. I think we could do some things. Not all of them. Not all the things we want to do. But we'll go as far as we can. And I also want to try some advanced builds as well. Not just a couple basic parts. I want to see how far we can take this. Before it cannot accomplish anything anymore. Okay, so these are files from a game called SFS. They are what determine how a rocket looks like. Take a deep breath and see and try to come up with a unique rocket. I can't type. To get to space. Okay. All right. Recreate the entire starship. Yeah, like have like a Pepe level build. Have ChatGPT do a level Pepe level build. Hold on, let me fix this camera glare here. This happens every so often. Let's see here. If I just hold my hand there, it should go away, right? Like, I see exactly where it's coming out of. Is it these? Right here. It's coming out of right... Which hole is it? This one? That could be taken out of context. That's gonna be taken out of context. It'll go away in like 5 minutes if it's where I'm coming from. Does it have to be SFS? Yes. If it doesn't, it sucks. Okay. Oh, what the hell? Okay, this is fine. That's fine. Okay, I've reviewed your blueprints, and they're all fairly straightforward designs, mostly vertical stacks, like with the Valiant or Hawk engines, and small capsule stages. Let's make something unique, both visually and functionally. Functionally. I cannot talk, but that sounds like a word. While still being capable of reaching orbit. Here's a concept for the Tri-spire lifter rocket inspired by the Falcon Heavy and shuttle-style side boosters. Okay, so it has side boosters, and it's the same JSON blueprint format. Okay, alright. And, okay, this rocket looks symmetrical and cinematic. We didn't tell him anything about cinematic, but, okay. Can reach orbit and has a recoverable core with a parachute system. Okay, that's a lot. That's a lot to say for what we imported. So let's copy our moon lander here. Let's call it GPT-1, and we work our way up. Oh no, we should call it what name did it give us when it said that? It is the Tri-spire lifter. Okay, Tri-spire, I think it is. I think I'm saying it wrong. Tri-spire, yeah, it's spire. Not spear. I'm an American. Okay, let's copy this. Let's throw it in here. I like this layout though. I'm not sure if that's correct, but let's see. Let's see what happened. Are you guys excited? I'm excited. Okay. It could throw a bunch of errors, in which case we'll have to give it more data. Oh. Hey, it was close. I mean, it's not quite. By beating... Oh my god, my mouse scroll wheel is weird. By beating SFS, I mean, it has to land everywhere. And so far, it has to build a rocket, get to orbit, get to the moon, and then land on every planet. Not at the same time, not at one time. It just has to build a rocket that can do those things. So, getting to orbit, it has already failed. It doesn't quite understand what parts look like. So, what we want to do is give it image references, because it doesn't quite know what it's looking at. We gave it numbers and shit. I mean, we gave it numbers, sorry. We gave it numbers, but it just doesn't know what those numbers mean. So we're gonna go in here. That was a bit off. I'll give you pictures so you can see which one is which. I'm not gonna tell it which one is which, actually. I thought I was going to, but the blueprints don't actually have a name to them. So, this is a 3-stage rocket. Hopefully it can, like, you know, figure it out. Okay. So this is kind of how they go together. It just doesn't know the part sizes of everything. Like, it kind of shows, but it sure won't be able to know the sizes from the image. Yeah, but it does have the grid behind it. So we'll see. I'm very curious. So like it will count like 1, 2, 3, 4, and then it might be able to figure out the height of these. Okay, it was a bit off. So you can see how the first rockets I sent you look like, and then your own. Okay, let's give it its own as well, so it can tell like how it messed up. Next, AI can make an SFS video. Can AI make it? Dude, that'd be crazy, because then I can just tell it an idea, and then it fully makes a video, and then all I gotta do is sit back and watch revenue come in. I'm just kidding. Okay. 20 people already are watching. That's awesome. Okay. Recreate the what was it? Tri-spire launcher? Lifter. Okay. Let's see. We gave it some pictures. Temu rocket. Yeah, this is what it came up with. If you guys weren't here for that. This stream is already doing way better than last stream, by the way. With 21 concurrent viewers. That's pretty dang good. Everyone who's here, send a message. Just bring the chat. Keep going. Oh, that's one thing I wanted to do. Okay. One thing I noticed about last stream that I forgot to fix in this stream. Let's go to here. Let me go really quick. Let me go to Streamlabs really quick. And I wanted to fix something on the Streamlabs chat box, because I noticed last stream that the chat was only going halfway up the screen before disappearing, and I want to fix that. I want to make that better, because the delay for when the chat turns off wasn't quick enough. Oh, is this still going? Okay, well, that's still going. Let me quickly fix the chat box really quick. I think it was Streamlabs chat box. I think. And then we do hide messages after. Oh, I already fixed it, apparently. Let's go 30 seconds. Okay, save settings. Let's see how that goes. We'll do 30 seconds. I have returned. Hi, welcome. Can I get a shout out? I already shouted you out right when you said the first time. Asking too much. I'm just kidding. Okay, where's the captured asteroid? It's somewhere. It's captured. Why? Whoa, ChatGPT is lagging. Let's refresh it really quick. Sometimes that helps. Sometimes they just have to make a new chat. Unique rocket design. Okay. It has 5 to 6 stages? Dude, I said basic. Okay, fine, whatever. Okay, we're gonna rewrite this Tri-spire lifter. Actually, no. Just in case I make a video on this later. Folder. What did we name it? Oops. Delete this one. We're gonna make a new Tri-spire lifter. And what did it name? Because I want to see what it named it. Okay. Remake of the Tri-spire lifter. That's what we're gonna call it. That whole sentence right there. And then we gotta open this blueprint, and we're gonna just straight up copy whatever this shows into here. And we're gonna save it. We're gonna go into here. We're gonna load it. Dude, I wonder if it got it. I don't think it. Before we open this up, chat, who do you think it's gonna work? Do you think we're gonna get a good rocket that can do anything, or do you think it's just gonna be a pile of parts? Let's make a poll. Lifter. Tri-spire lifter is what it's called. It's gonna. Okay. Gonna work? No. Will it work? Okay. Cool. The timing is immaculate. Awesome. Why do you never ask ChatGPT for stream ideas? Because it sucks. It sucks at coming up with stream ideas. I had a mind blank. I was like asking ChatGPT. I'm like, well, I have a stream tomorrow. What do I gotta do? And it was like, here's a bunch of random stuff that's like okay, and I didn't really like any of it. And then I was like, why not I just ask ChatGPT to make rockets? And if it sucks, that's the video. So there's what we did. Okay, it's not gonna work 64%. How many people voted? 11 votes. Okay, let's go. No way! It took the 3-stage rocket and rearranged it. Like, if we just, you know, bring these down a little bit, delete this, and then go like this, like, how did it even do that? What is... Oh. Well, that's... Oh, that's cool. Unironically, it just came up with a build technique that I didn't know existed. Interstaging within a fuel tank. ChatGPT is definitely innovating on some fronts, but not the rest. Like here, you know, so like why I'm like excited about this is that if you normally do this, right? Oh wait, hold on. Cheats, part clipping. Okay, if you normally do this, okay. Oh, never mind. You can do that. Whoa! Am I just... Oh, that's kind of cool. How did I not know that? Okay, maybe it's not that innovative, but that's sick. Wait, how does that look? That's actually kind of sick. Not gonna lie. That could easily level up someone's building by like a little bit. Just like the ability to kind of cover a part up. That's pretty cool. I did not know that existed. Okay, so I'm learning things too. Okay, that's basically the 3-stage rocket. That was not good enough. So, let's turn on infinite build space. Here's one thing I want to do. We turn on infinite... Oh, that's infinite fuel. Infinite build area. And what else? What else did it get? It got this section, and it has the capsule from the 3-stage rocket, which is what we did give it. So, okay. Asking it to describe the part layout would probably work better. Yes. Okay. Let's do something here. I want to get like a grid of parts so it can like know like describing the part layout. I mean, yeah, describing the part layout's cool and all, but I want it to build the rocket. Like I'm building it. It's just saying put a fuel tank here, do that. How are you number 3? I have no idea. At all. Here, let's see. Like, what's a layout that... Does someone have verdicts? Can you send me on Discord if you find it? You don't have to. Or a rage. A blueprint of, like, every part. Wait, I might have it. Hold on. Let's see here. I have a blueprint of, like, every part and every orientation. But that might be a little bit too complicated. Second thought, that's probably too complicated. Okay. We gotta figure out how to convince ChatGPT to not convince it, but how to tell it what to do, you know? I think I do. I don't think I have that. That's fine. I don't really... It's fine. Okay. Let's see here. Maybe... How is it getting the, I gotta figure out how it's doing the interstages, because, okay. Let's see here. I need, like... Okay, maybe it doesn't understand how these interstages work. Let's go like this, right? Like the highest, section... This is how these guys work, basically. I have this video could be a burn, but it could be awesome as hell. Okay, let's get another one in here. We have like infinite attempts to explain to it how to build a rocket. And this is just gonna be part of the video. Let's do like I don't know, something like that. Oh, that's an interesting thing. Wait, why is this not transparent when it's like that? That's so weird. I didn't know that existed either. What? How am I finding this stuff? Okay. These are 3 tiny rockets with an inner stages at different heights, but they still connect perfectly. Or like what do you think? Like that? Like these are correct orientations of parts. Okay. So we gotta save this. We have to tell it how to build assembly csarp.dll. I don't know what that is. Oh, is that like the actual SFS code? That'd be kind of funny. To upload the entire code to Spaceflight Simulator. Like, okay. So, and it also said it had 5 to 6 stages. Learning how you're supposed to play the game for the first time. Okay. All right. Okay. So you messed up a few things last blueprint. The engines weren't connected to the rocket, and the are wrong. Can you look at this BP, and this one shows how to do it correctly. Okay. All right, so that's our new prompt. This video may not even work. That we may not even turn this into a video, but it's gonna be hella good. Like the process. What the hell did I just upload? Hold on. Okay, here we go. All right, so we're gonna upload this. How to do a full decompilate. I cannot talk. Okay. Provide the atmosphere. Well, we have to make sure it can build the rocket first. It doesn't matter if what the escape velocity is, or it doesn't matter what the gravity pull is, if we cannot get it to build a rocket. Right now it's struggling on that, which I thought it would do a little bit better, but I also didn't give it enough data, and we could just restart the chat and do it again. Yeah, I don't know. We'll see what happens. It's reading it right now. Let's see what it says. Okay. Aligning engines and tanks. Okay, we might get it this time. Okay, let's end the poll. How many people voted? 23 people voted. Let's end this poll and let's start a new one. Will it work this time? Will it work this time? Yep. Not a chance. Okay. All right. Put your votes in. See what happens. Okay. It's also commenting. In the actual. Why is it lagging so much? Okay. We have 75% yep this time. And okay. Okay. All right. It's 75% yes. Let's remake the remake of the Tri-spire lifter. Remake of the Tri-spire lifter. Okay. We're gonna use this file format from now on. This is gonna be so confusing when I'm editing this video later, but it's fine. That's just how we roll. Okay. I have faith in the very thing that is destroying us. Yeah, I mean, you're right. Okay. Load. The amount of stuff ChatGPT is saying just to make a rocket in a video game. Yeah, that's so true. Holy! I should have had some anticipation. It's gotten the rocket's correct. 6 or 7 stage rocket, bro. Your brain rocket. 6, 7. No, I'm just kidding. But it's pretty dang good. It like fixed the rockets here. It still has a random interstage. Wow. Okay. Like, this is better than like most people's first rocket. Although it's not ChatGPT's first rocket, it's probably progressing as quickly as a normal person would. So these are just decoration. Let's make this decoration and see, or should we correct this? Should we correct its error first? Like, this could be just decoration. Like, bro, that's not bad. That's really not bad. It's already learned how to add decorations to the rocket. So everyone who said yep, yeah, it worked. Okay. Did it do the staging too? Okay, it tried staging nose cones, which you cannot stage, but SFS does allow you to put them in the staging thing. So let's see here. It doesn't have the rockets actually staged as well. Maybe they're turned on. No, they're not. They're not turned on. In the middle engine. Okay. Okay, that's fine. What the, we'll just have to like flame it on like what is happening here. It's not the middle engine. What engine? Like, how many? It has a thrust to weight ratio of 1.8, but obviously it doesn't know what thrust to weight ratio is, the part, what parts, what the weight of every part is and everything. So I mean, like that's pretty good. Valiant in the center. Yeah, we should tell it how to like put separators here, because these are gonna burn away so quick, and then this is gonna be here and it's still gonna be burning, and it's just gonna be wasting fuel. Let's try one more time. Let's try one more time. It might be stuck on this design, and it might be putting those interstages there, but it might also know what to do. Okay, rebuild the rocket and give me a new design. Okay, we're gonna give it a new design. That's true. Fuel tanks will connect anyways. Yeah, that's fair. All right, let's see here. Transparent interstage. What? Engines will be attached as specified. I'll keep the building. For boosters, I'll use 8,12. What? I don't think it. For the two variants, I'll stick to using a simpler booster design. Okay, the Skylance twin style. Let's look up what it means by Skylance. Oh. Twin. Skylance twin style. What is this even referring to? That's a plane. Okay, Skylance twin is lagging a lot, by the way. Useless explanation from AI. Yeah. Okay. Okay, we have this. It's still going. Let's just give it a sec. Cosmetic window ring on core? No! Stop doing cosmetics. You need to figure out what to do first. Make the middle stage 8 wide. Well, we've only given it 4 wide fuel tanks as training data. Or not training data, but you know what I mean. It would be interesting to have an AI that like is trained specifically off of SFS parts and can make like an SFS build, and you just like click and it just makes the rocket. Would be so cool. Okay, 5-6 stages. Slim sustainer upper stage. What is it called? Skylance twin. Oh boy, I'm just not feeling like it got it when we said to remake it. Skylance twin, and we gotta go into blueprint folder. Okay, it'd be funny if Space Chip showed up. I want to ping him, but he's probably busy right now. Okay, all right. Who thinks this is gonna work? Who thinks that we're gonna just put it in the comments? Just put it in the chat. I want to see what the chat thinks. Next AI gonna make the space shuttle, but it can't do a rocket yet. So I don't know. It might. Pull closed. Okay. It was outputting random parts. Really? Did you look at it? Okay. Oh, where'd it go? Did you guys see that? I clicked on it, it disappeared. What? Skyline's twin. Did it just like give up? Hold on. Did it? Is it the comments in here that are causing it? What happened? Okay. Did it? What? Okay. Let's try. Let's see that again. Where'd it go? Am I just like seeing things, or did it like that just delete itself in front of me? Okay. Let's delete. It might have just screwed up the blueprint entirely. I'm gonna delete the comments out of here. Restart SFS. You think so? Okay. Wait, I want to try this for. Okay, yeah, we're gonna have to restart SFS. Okay. We're gonna just click on that. Hopefully, it opens up in the right window. Sometimes SFS opens on this window where the chat is, and then I can't see you guys. So, okay. Let's go to here, and okay, is it here? Get out of my face. Maybe they're not. Where? Huh? Skylands twin. You know, okay, what if we just rename it? It's open in another program. Where? Oh, here? Hold on. Hold on. Don't save. Okay, try again. Okay. Okay. Am I going insane? Is it too early for me? Bro. Gave all this space for like the tiniest engine. And then it put landing legs in the middle of the rocket. And then it put it's just no. Bro. It not bad. What do you mean not bad? Did it put anything here? Why does it keep doing this? Why? Does it even know what it's doing? Okay, it goes boom. And then okay. I'm gonna ask it why it has these separators in the middle. Don't do this. I thought SFS would be, or ChatGPT would be a little bit better. Above average. Questionably. But why do you keep putting this here? These stages, these separators do nothing in the middle of a fuel tank. Please remove them and never do it again. And then also make the okay. I'm gonna keep going. This might be a burning like a kitchen fire or a dumpster fire. Kitchen fire, that's a new one. This might be a dumpster fire of a chat right now, but maybe Maybe we could steer it in the right direction. No idea. Okay. All right. We do it again. We see if ChatGPT can do it this time. I need to apologize. Yeah, you better apologize. What the? Okay. Now we sit back, relax, and wait for the passive income to come back in. Minimum of 100 parts. I kind of want to do that though. The thing about that is it's destroying humanity. Yeah. I mean, I don't know. We'll see. It is an existential crisis that it should be on everyone's mind. Did you see my lander I sent? No, I'm streaming right now. I did not see your lander. How long will this stream go? No idea. Until OBS crashes. Or ChatGPT crashes. What happened? Why is it lagging so much? Okay, so ChatGPT is not doing too hot. We're gonna give it one more attempt, then we're gonna switch over to Claude and see if Claude can do it. I think you're streaming right now? Nah, I don't think I'm streaming. This is an AI. I actually asked ChatGPT to do this all in advance. I'm not even here. I'm actually still sleeping. You just can't see me because I had ChatGPT remove me from the background. And this is just an AI. Nah. Okay. Let's do final GPT attempt, and then we're moving over to Claude. Because if GPT is this bad, we're not getting to the moon, guys. Last GPT attempt. Okay. We'll go to here. Blueprint. Okay, let's find, where's that blueprint? There it is. Do you guys think this is gonna work? This is like the same core stack lifted booster. It may have removed it. If it hasn't removed it, it just doesn't know what's going on. All right, we're gonna get another poll. Grok Clanker to Mars. You think Grok could do it? Will ChatGPT make it this time? Okay. Let's see. Will ChatGPT actually do it this time? And there's probably a little bit of a delay. Yes, 50%. Yes, 57%. You guys are, I don't know. Let's see. We should make chat update the game. ChatGPT update the game. Okay. 13 votes. 69% said yes. I saw someone removed their vote, so it stays at 69. That's kind of funny. Okay. You're above 8th grade? Yeah, I'm in a dorm. Okay. Alright. Can ChatGPT do it? Last ChatGPT attempt. What? It's so damn close, dude. It's so damn close. What is this? Why did it all of a sudden decide, hey, let's move it 1 block to the left. Half a meter to the left. It's so close. 71, someone ruined it. Who ruined it? Who ruined the votage percent? It didn't even line it up. Bro. It discovered part clipping, we're screwed. Oh. It learned to clip boosters. That is very true. Alright. Let's just, it did stage this correctly. It got the staging down, but it screwed up the boosters. It learned to part clip. It need more boosters. That's true. Okay. I think we have to move on to Claude and see if Claude can do it. Because ChatGPT, just not it. Okay. Let's see if Claude's going to take over humanity. Or if Claude can't do it, we move to Grok and see if someone can do it. All right. What was the prompt we gave ChatGPT? Let's give it a fair shot. It was like, these are some files from a game called SFS. It determines how a rocket is built. Rocket is built. Let's take a deep breath and try to come up with a rocket that can get to space. Okay. And then we need to give it those 4 files. That might not be enough. Just saying. Like, okay, basic rocket. We're gonna give it that one. We're gonna go, let's get out of here. Basic rocket. Let's just get to this basic rocket one. Basic rocket. 2-stage rocket. We gotta go to 3-stage rocket. 3-stage rocket. Moon lander. I think that's it. Do you think it would work? Copilot? That's true. We could try Copilot. Oh yeah, Spaceflight Simulator. It's they are determine how to rockets built. Do better than Chat GPT. We gotta give it some pressure. Go! Alright. Let's see. Now, Claude is very fast. They're both very fast, but... Okay. Capsule, new. Okay. Alright. We can't really tell what's going on. Okay. Did it finish already? Oh, it's still going. We're still writing. Optimize space-capable rocket. Try no BP editing. Let's see. Do better than ChatGPT. We gotta put pressure on it. Also, welcome in, guys. Anyone new here? Okay. Launch with Hawk at full throttle, stage 1. Okay. Does it mention anything about ChatGPT here? Is it? Okay, it's done. Okay. Copy it. Okay. Do you think Claude will do it? Will Claude be better? I think Claude will be better than ChatGPT at this one. Let's recreate Claude. I don't even think Claude named its rocket. It just said 3-stage design. Optimized space-capable rocket. We're just gonna call it Claude first attempt. Okay, let's go to blueprint, and we're gonna go to the blueprint here. We're gonna copy it, the JSON file, gonna paste it in here, see if it works. There's a chance that it doesn't even load. There's a chance. Okay. We also may not be giving it enough data. Okay. It has inspiration off of the 2-stage rocket. Let's it did the same thing as ChatGPT here, kind of missed the top interstage. But I mean, it went simple. It's a pencil of a rocket for sure. Thrust to weight ratio is 0.85. Okay. So it just doesn't understand how massive this rocket is. Because, oh, it got the staging too. Oh, there's an engine in here? Oh my god. It nearly got it. That's dramatic improvements. Thrust to weight ratio is not looking good. But hey, Look at this. It will launch eventually. When the thrust to weight ratio is correct. Did I have infinite fuel on? Okay. We just have to wait for the thrust to weight ratio to go up. Okay. We just wait. And once it reaches 1, we go. I have an essay due tonight that I haven't even started yet. I should probably start it right after the stream. But the stream's gonna be a while. Okay. So Claude, this is your rocket. First attempt. Better than ChatGPT. ChatGPT, we couldn't build a rocket that could launch. Claude, we have a rocket that can at least lift off the launch pad a little bit. It's kind of working. This is your first time attending your stream. Welcome in. Teach it how thrust to weight ratio works. We've made a missile. Welcome in, by the way. Why every time I comment, everyone spams? Because that's just the chat. It looks heavy. Is Darling in here? Where's... I don't see it. Like, in the chat, I see it. Over here, I see it. But here, that's strange. Huh. Anyway. Let's see. Are we gonna make it to space? Probably not. Actually, we might. I don't think so. Let's time warp. Let's see if we can do it. It's a toothpick? Okay. And next stage. Thrust to weight is 0.7. It does not know how thrust works. Okay. Alright. Let's go back to the drawing board. This is better than GPT. However, one of the top... I'm not going to tell it what separator it's going to use. The top one. One of the top separators is clipped, meaning that it overlaps with another part with a fuel tank, and the thrust to weight ratio is, well, the rocket is too heavy. Okay, so with that information, let's give it thrust to weight ratio data. Just to give them the game files. It's like, you know, okay, fuel tank. Let's upload a bunch of screenshots of the different fuel tanks. How is it gonna tell which one's which? I don't think it will tell which one's which. Maybe it could if we... Shoot. I just had an idea. But too bad. No more idea. Okay. Fuel tank, fuel tank, fuel tank. We're gonna give it this. This is like nothing to go off of. And then we're gonna go to like the Hawk engines. Hawk engine. I'm gonna give it the capsule as well. I guess that's needed information. Gonna do the Valiant engine. Give it the Valiant engine. How many pictures can I upload? I actually don't know. And Colibri engine. I'm gonna give it those screenshots. And then we'll just go. We'll see what happens. I don't know. It could do well. You're absolutely right. Let me fix those ideas. Yeah, okay, sure. Sure, buddy. I'm absolutely right. Yeah, I know. I've been playing SFS for lots of hours. Dang, we're at 29 viewers. That's crazy. Last stream was 40 viewers, so I'm wondering if we can beat that. If you know some friends, send them a message. Tell them to join the stream. Send them a link. If you know some Discords, post the link there. It's not self-promotion. Anyway. Okay. Stage 1 is 2.76. 2.76 TWR. Isn't like the golden standard like 1.6? We're at 2.76 apparently. And we'll see. We'll see if that's correct. Let's copy this. Okay. Let's make Claude's second attempt. Since it's not naming its stuff, since it's not being creative on the names, second, I kind of think this might actually work. I do think this might work. Do I even need to put a poll? I think so. 95% voted yes. Wow. Okay. Will it work? Will it work? Okay. We're gonna see. C1A2 baguetter. Okay. Okay. Oh, I didn't save it. Shoot. I didn't save it. Alright. Load. Let's give some people time to answer. If the poll will work. If the poll? The rocket, if the rocket will work. Let's see here. Go Claude, go. Yes. Okay. Okay. Give the AI a tutorial video? I mean, I could give it its like build a rocket to land on the moon tutorial. Okay. Wait, Claude's second attempt is not showing up. What? Did I not save it? Claude's second attempt. Do I have to reload Spaceflight Simulator? Oh, let's just rename the rocket. Because it did that last time. I don't know why. I have a lot of blueprints. Okay. Open in another program. Oh my gosh. Okay, close. Claude, come on. Do better. Try again. Okay, Claude's second attempt. Okay. Will it work? We have 69% voted yes. Oh. It fixed the interstage, but it messed up the size of the fuel tank. Toothpick V2 rocket. So true. This sun is actually killing me right now. We need to fix this. I don't know how to fix it. Maybe it's just angling the camera a little bit this way. No, that just doesn't work. No. Okay, wait, hold on. Let me fix the sun for a sec, because it's so bright. Where is it coming through? Is it coming through here? It's coming through this location. I need like a piece of paper. Ah! Okay. I'm gonna put a piece of paper here just so we don't have this glare. It worked. Look at what I did. There's just a piece of printer paper blocking the sun and the window. There we go. Okay. All right, we're back. Yo, what's up? How's it going? All right. Okay. So it messed up the spacing of some of the parts. So I think I'm gonna give it a blueprint where like all of the parts are in line, like just in a random configuration. Or wait, hold on. Let's try something here. Let's do like this. And then we'll flip this upside down like this. Like that. And then we'll add some interstages into like different parts. like this. We'll add an inner stage here, like that, and then we'll add like, see this one. We'll try something like this. I don't know if this is gonna work, but it could. Inner stage goes here, and then it's this part. Okay. We got some inner stages in there. We got the... You're a big fan? Well, welcome. Welcome to your first stream. We have 35 concurrent viewers. 35 people just watched me put a page there, to block the sun in my window. Okay. Let's see. And then we need the capsule at the top here. It doesn't know what the fuel tank, the heat shield is yet. We're just giving it a bunch of like configurations of like rockets, just to see if it can get the fuel tanks correct. So we're gonna paste the rocket, paste the rocket, paste the rocket, and then we're gonna go like this one, this one, this one, and this one. And then we're gonna go, we should do one where we can show the size of the rockets. We're gonna go like, I don't know, gonna go boom like this. No, we can't give it bad data like that. And then we're gonna go like, we're gonna take this one out, we're gonna put this one in like here, and go boom like that. Then we're gonna go get another one. I don't even know if this is gonna work. I'm just guessing. Okay. Save configurations. Okay. All right. Let's go to here. So what I'm doing is I'm giving it a bunch of like more knowledge, I guess. And hopefully when we put this into Claude, it will be able to like it would give it more information. This BP that I'm sending you is a few correct rockets where parts don't overlap and engines are not sticking out. They are all in a line, and I don't know, what do I say? What do I say to this? This VP that I'm sending you is a few configurations of correct rockets where parts don't overlap and engines are not sticking out. They are all in line, and use this to create a rocket. This to help. No, I don't want it to say use this. Use this knowledge to create a new rocket. Okay. We might be rate limited on Claude AI. You're not gaining XP? I subscribed to your landing on 10 dangerous planets? Hell yeah. That video took a long time to make. Bully Claude until it makes a proper rocket. Yeah, I know, right? Just bully AI into doing what you want it to do. Clout AI. It'll probably look like a toothpick V3. That's fair. How the hell do you just subscribe to a video? HIX? That's fair. I mean, someone guessed the font of my logo and guessed how I made it, and it's literally just paint. Like, that's all I did. Oh no, we need to copy this. Okay. Okay. Claude, third attempt. Claude, third attempt. We open this up, and we're gonna go to, copy this. Claude, third attempt. Boom. Okay. All right. We're gonna end the poll. We're gonna make a new one. Do y'all think this will work this time? Okay. Do y'all think it would work? Yes or no? Yo, SFS58, I remember you. Respect the guy who respected to the guy calling HIX instead of heroics. Did ChatGPT already get used? Yeah, ChatGPT sucked. And I can show you, while that poll is going on, I can recap and show you what it tried doing. It was bad. Let's see here. Last ChatGPT attempt was this. The last attempt we got was that. So we're gonna see if Claude AI can do better on its third attempt. Claude, third attempt. Let's go. Okay. No! Dude, what is this gap in the middle of your rocket? It's got the thrust to weight ratio, like, relatively correct. What is happening? What is going on? Okay. This should work, but it didn't. Oh, dude, the separator should be much smaller. 0.5 to 1 max height just to provide clean stages without visible gaps. It's not getting it. It's not gonna get it. Broken toothpick. We broke the toothpick. No rocket. That's true. Hey, the more you chat, guys, the more you could be on the leaderboard. So the Gamer Studio is third. He's now in second. Mystic is in third. So the more you guys send messages, the more YouTube will also push the stream, I think. I don't know. Okay. Did it get it? Did it get everything already? We're waiting. We're waiting to see what happens. What Claude cooks up. Is Claude gonna cook? Is Claude gonna cook, or are we screwed? Is Claude gonna cook, or are we cooked? Why am I not getting XP though? Let's see. Can I see your XP? Channel activity. Deleted messages. Can I be? That's strange. I don't know. Mystic. Sorry, Mystic. Yeah. I talked a lot. I didn't spam though. Yeah, don't spam. Okay. Okay, Claude's fourth attempt. Oh my gosh. Maybe I have to do a little bit, like, more background knowledge. Or, like, I have to give Claude and ChatGPT more than just a couple blueprints to go off of. Maybe that's the solution. Get out of here, blueprints. Okay. Fourth attempt from Claude. And we told it, no, don't do that. Okay. Let's see here. Really? What is that, dude? What is that? This is what you just did. Here, hold on. I think we're cooked. I don't think we're gonna get better than this, but we could always try. Okay. What just happened? Crop. Okay. No. We just got a highlight. Okay. It's so close to getting it. It's so close. What are these gaps? Fix them. I see the problem. The separators are not creating visible gaps because the Y positions aren't counting for the fuel tank heights properly. Let's recalculate. It's not gonna get it. It's not gonna get it. It's just not at all gonna get it. Let's see here. My shirt has a hole in it from burning steak. Not burning steak. I was cooking steak and then it flashed up and it burned the I don't know. Yeah. Darlin SFS, not the red circle. Yeah, I need to approach it clickbait style. I need to add red circles where there aren't any. Okay. Claude, 5th attempt. Fifth attempt. That's not how you spell fifth, but it's fine. I spell things wrong all the time. Okay. Okay. I'm getting desperate. Please. Please work. Bruh. It's not working. No. Do we move on to Grok now? Do we see if Grok can do it? Do we move on to Grok? Or do we stay with ChatGPT? I mean, Claude. Or do we move on to like a different... Okay, 100%. 7 votes for 100%. Dang. Okay. 13 votes for 100%. Move on to Grok. Okay, that unanimous votes. We move on. Grok AI. Let's see if Grok can do any better. All right. We have to give it all the data again. Oh my gosh. Okay. Maybe we're not giving it enough data. Let's go. Oh, I can't give files. Okay, so we have to like go in and give it every file. Hold on. Okay. Basic rocket. Give it the blueprint. 2-stage rocket. Give it the blueprint. 3-stage rocket. Give it the blueprint. Is it... What happened? Why is it not giving... Why can't I give it more than one blueprint? Hold on. Basic rocket. Blueprint. Does it have to be, like, named differently? Blueprint rule 1? Oh, okay. Yeah, I see. I see. Okay. 2-stage rocket. What was it? 3-stage rocket. Let me actually rename these. Instead of blueprint 1, let's name it 3-stage rocket. Not that it matters, but because it might help when referencing the different blueprints. Although we'll have to... Nah, we're good. We're good. We're good. Okay, 2-stage rocket, 3-stage rocket. What was it? Basic rocket. Basic rocket. Throw that in there. And then we need the lander as well. I don't think we're gonna get to the lander. I don't even think we're gonna get it on the moon. Basic rocket. Oh, lander, sorry. Okay. And we'll drag this over here. What was it? These are JSON files from Spaceflight Simulator that tell the game how the rocket is built. Since Elon Musk owns this might have more knowledge in rocketry and building simple blueprints. We'll have to find out. We'll see. Okay. Wow, 91% voted yes. One person voted no. Tell Spaceflight Simulator, tell the game how the rocket is built. These are 4 examples that the game gives. Make a unique rocket from these and let me know if you have any questions on what the rules, how do I say that? What the rules are, you know, like what the unique rocket from these, and let me know if you have any question on what do you know, how do I say that? If you have any questions on let me know if you have any questions on on how the rocket is, on how the parts go together. I don't know. Did I already say? Oh yeah, make a new rocket. Okay, go. Let's see if Grok can do it. If Grok can't do it, I don't know. We'll move on to a different one. Very sure AI can beat the game. We'll see. Because so far, we've went through ChatGPT, Claude, and now we're on Grok, and none of them can build a rocket. Claude built a rocket that can go up eventually. The rocket wasn't powerful. Oh. No response. Okay. Wait, is it just the settings I have? It's the, let me go to settings here. Behavior. Appearance. Customize. Concise. Build rocket. Learn. I don't know. Concise. Formal. I don't know. We're gonna make formal. We're gonna make it formal here. Conversion. New. Is this just too much? What? Use a different model. Man. Alright, we didn't even like get one response out of it. Okay. What? Okay, let's try this again. These are 4 whatever files. Let's import them back into Grok and see. Dude, I don't even. Really? Why won't this work? Okay, 2-stage rocket, basic rocket, and the 3-stage rocket. Is this all of them? Yes. Okay, go. Are the JSON files not uploading? I don't see them here. They may not be uploading. It's thinking. No response. What? Take some time. Take some time, man. It's okay. There's no one watching. You're not on stream. You're not live. This is really bad. Okay, we have expert level mode. We have expert mode level here. Expert. Please, chat. Bruh, just move to DeepSeek? Yeah, okay, let's try DeepSeek. This sketchy ass website. This could be hacking my computer. Hold on, let me log in really quick. Okay. This may not work. Is this even the right app? Chat.deepseek.com, that's probably it. Man, is it blocked in the US? Probably is. Reconnecting. Okay. It might. I don't think Grok's gonna make it. No. Elon Musk. Guys, send this clip to Elon Musk and tell him Grok's not working. To build a rocket in a very simple space game. It's just text. It's just text. It's not much. It's just not working. Use VPN. That's true. It's gonna build a Chinese spy balloon. We're gonna tell it to build a rocket and it builds a Chinese spy balloon. That's so real. As a DeepSeek user, I can confirm it does not hack. It wants you to think that. Grammarly AI. That's an interesting one. That'd be funny if Grammarly can pull it off. I'm gonna be using it, not sponsored. Grammarly, you should sponsor me. Do you think Juno New Origins is a cool space exploration game? I think it's really cool. I think it's very complicated though. Like, you have to play it a little bit more than Kerbal Space Program, a little bit more than Spaceflight Simulator to get the understanding it takes to actually build a rocket to get somewhere. I thought in the first video, I thought I could just log right in and get to work. No, you have to build engines and then put them on the rocket and then launch the rocket. Like, it's not just like, you don't just build, you don't just slap an engine on. Chat? Okay, wait. Maybe I want to go back to ChatGPT really quick, because I didn't ask it to ask me questions on how the parts go together. It's just doing it. And you know how our large language models are. They just do it and don't ask questions. That could be the reason why it's not working. Given the chance, would you drink rocket fuel? I would drink a little bit. Just a tiny bit. A little drop to see how it tastes. The gaps in the rocket comes back. ChatGPT is back. Well, I'm not sure. We'll see. We'll see if Grok responds. It doesn't look like it's gonna respond. You know what? To speed this up, I'm gonna put all these. Let's see here. Blueprints, 3-stage rocket, moon lander, basic rocket. I'm gonna put these all in one folder so I can just upload it all to ChatGPT. 2-stage rocket. So we got lander, 3-stage rocket, 2-stage rocket. Okay. Let's try Grok one more time. I don't know why it would work. Hello? Is Grok down? Did we kill it? Oh. Alright then. Fair enough. Seems like we killed Grok. Oops. Oh boy. It went from 19 to, when we tried using Grok, 833 reported that it was down. That's not good. Elon Musk didn't want to make a rocket, didn't want us to do better than SpaceX. That's what SpaceX is running off of. It's Grok. He said, no, we're gonna have competition. We must shut it down immediately. Okay. Dang. All right. So, let's give ChatGPT, let's give it another chance. Let's give it another chance here. Okay, we're gonna go back to here, export these, and we're gonna do, okay, you know what? We're going to do ChatGPT thinking. We're gonna give it as much thinking power as possible, and we're gonna do some deep research. And we're gonna give it as much. We're gonna give it the best chance of success. 3-stage rocket. These are all files that go together. The last file is multiple configurations of fuel tanks without gaps in between them. And then we're gonna upload the one where it's like what is it, configurations. Okay, we're going to give it the best possible chance. We're gonna give ChatGPT one last try. We'll give it 3 last tries, and see what it can do. So we have deep research on. Okay. Should it be single stage? Let's do a simple 2-stage rocket to start with. Do you want to? We want to just get to orbit. Oh, I should probably give it the thrust to weight ratios, like the mass of fuel tanks. Like, and the pictures. I need to give it pictures as well. Okay, that's what I need to do. I need to give it all the data it can possibly come up with. So we go Moonlander. Oh, hold on. Example rockets, basic rocket. We're gonna give as much data as possible. We're gonna give crop basic rocket. Okay, this is the basic rocket. Save. Untitled 1. Okay, then we're gonna example rockets, 2-stage rocket. We're gonna give this as much data as we possibly can. Crop. 2-stage rocket. Save as. Untitled 2. Okay. Example rockets, 3-stage rocket. And the Moonlander as well. Okay. Crop. 3-stage rocket. See if we can fit rocket in here. Guess we can't. That's fine. Save as. We're going to give this all the data in the entire universe. I'm just kidding. And then we need the lander as well. This is gonna take a little bit, but it has to know what they look like, right? Because that's what we were missing the last couple times, is ChatGPT gets a file and it's like, what the hell is this? Lander. Okay. Now, will it be able to read these? I don't know. Okay, and the red circle. Yeah, we need to put the red circles in here too. Okay, and then we need the one where it's like the where is it? Configurations. Configurations like this. This is the configurations. I bet it can tell which one's that. But let's put it into Paint just in case. Crop this. Save as. Configurations. I don't know if the untitled will throw it off. Hopefully not. I should have probably named them, but I was just too lazy. I am really hungry right now. I did not eat breakfast, and my lunch was scrambled eggs last night. We living. If you want to see more, donate. Donate so I can eat. I'm just kidding. I mean, I'm not, but like, no, I'm just kidding. Okay, we got that. Okay. Simple 2-stage rocket to start out with. And then I don't think that... Let's see here. Okay. Maybe we give it this data as well. Okay. This one, fuel tank. We give it this data here. It is very quiet in here in my room right now. Okay. All this just so it can tell like the difference. Okay. We have as much, we're wasting as much water as possible to come up with a good rocket. You know, if we're not trying, what are we doing? All right. You have to sleep now? I'll see you later. Come on. All right. Starting research. What kind of research is this gonna do? You know? Hello, Norman Grant. How's it going? Bye, heroics. I'll explore other streams and stuff. No, stay. Stay, please. We need to keep the current viewer count up. It is starting research on 2-stage rocket for orbit in Spaceflight Simulator. We'll see if this works. If it doesn't, I'm gonna be sad. Yeah, we'll see. We're running at 59.02 frames per second. That's such a random number. Okay. And now we wait. Should we do this for Grok as well? Let's get all the language models the exact same prompt. Let's make a new chat just so we can switch over to them whenever we whenever this one goes bad. Configurations. Let's go to oh, did I? Hold on. Blueprints. I have the blueprints file. There we go. Okay. Lander, 3-stage rocket. Throw it into there. And we got all those gaps in between them. Let's get... Oh, I have to upgrade for Opus 4.1. Alright. Let's go. Let's do it. Okay. Rocket design. Try asking ChatGPT something else while you wait. No. We need it to think. We need it to give all of the data centers power to build this rocket. The sun is in my eyes. I can barely see chat right now. There we go. There we go. It's good. It's good. Remember to close files? Nah, it's fine. All right. Let's do this. I have a cup of milk here too that I just poured. This better work. I know, right? Let's see if Grok is back up. Nope, Grok is down. For sure. Oh my! Oh! That was like 600 a second ago. Now it's 1,291. Damn. Holy. Okay. Okay. Let's see here. No. Look, it found odd placements of the Hawk engine and fuel tanks in the 2-stage rocket file. That's strange. Duplication or shared coordinates? Glock is dying. Ellipse Rocket Simulator? While we're waiting, I want to see this. Rocket Simulator. What? Can I be sponsored by them? Do they got videos? Let's see. It looks like a very basic game, but I like it. I like it. How to dock 2 spacecraft. 29,000 views. Interesting. Very interesting. Okay. Oh, I can't even hear it too. I think you guys can hear some of that. Oh wait, let me check if Spotify has ended its... Please tell me it's still in the... Okay. Let's play Spotify back from the first song. It's still going. How about... Okay. The P... Okay. Vertically, I mean... Okay. Alright. It asks some questions. Some good questions. The P value... P field contains XY coordinates. The P value is determining where parts are in the build space. If you are building a simple rocket, most likely the P will keep the same X and increasing Y, but if it deviates... Oh, did I not give it the sample rocket from X? It's going to... No, place fuel tanks next to each other like in like this next file by 0.5 meters. Okay. Part connection. Do they share the same Y coordinate or adjacent Y coordinates? Do parts automatically connect? Only interstages extend to connect, else the fuel tanks need to be where one starts where the other one left off. I don't know. I don't know this next question. The answer. Height property. Yes, there you can edit that height and create larger and smaller fuel tanks at any size to replace many smaller fuel tanks. Okay. Engines and fuel. They need to be attached to the bottom of the fuel tank. Okay, we're answering all the questions. Maybe this would work. And they need to attach to the bottom of the fuel tank to draw fuel. Okay. I included a VP to show how more configurations work. Let's go back to the blueprint, and I want to bring in the configurations blueprint. And then I want to give it the configurations. Where is it? This one. Okay. All right. We'll see if this works. Okay. Orbital rocket, heavy lift orbital rocket with an interesting asymmetric booster configuration. That is not what we want to hear. We want to hear simple rocket. Is this Grok thing higher now? Oh my god, it is higher. Oh man, Grok is dead. I said rock. Hey, petition to name Grok to rock for a day. Don't count from 1 to 100, bruh. Okay. Let's see. Is this working? No response. It's still dead. Someone killed Grok. Oh, okay. While ChatGPT is cooking away at this, okay. Nesting separators between tanks for coverage. I like how ChatGPT didn't ask too many questions. Oh, it did ask some questions, but it didn't ask like technical questions of like formatting and stuff like that. So I'm curious to see how these two do. Okay, all right. We have a response from Claude AI. Let's do Claude Remastered. Claude Remastered. And we're gonna go... What? Oh, yeah, right. Okay. Hold on. Claude Remastered here. And then we're gonna open it up. And blueprint. Okay. Where are you? This one. We move. Claude Remastered. Okay. Who thinks this is gonna work? Who actually thinks this is gonna work? Let's see here. Will it work? Okay, start poll. What happened? My chat just like died for a half a second. Super chat? Oh, I can send a super chat to myself? That's so funny. 10 super chats. I don't know. 2 hours. You can ask a question, Keck. Okay, I don't know what that means, but I just started a goal of 10 super chats. I don't know. Okay, all right. Do you guys think this will work? 82% say yes, 18%, 83% say yes, 17% say no. Okay. Claude Remastered. Oh. Interesting. Very interesting. Interesting, chat. What? Well, it clips the boosters together. But it got... This is not the 3-stage rocket, I think. I don't think it copied 3-stage rocket perfectly. Okay. Okay, wait. Let me load the 3-stage rocket. I think. It's very, very close, but I don't think it got it perfectly. Let me load the 3-stage rocket here. No, it didn't. Look at this. Okay. So we're going to load it in the Claude Remastered as well. Import. Look at how this gap is different than this gap. And this gap is different than that gap. It's like slightly taller. If you put them side by side. By like a single... Where else did it... Oh, look! It made the fuel tanks taller as well. Yo. This is bigger than... These tanks are bigger too. This is... It's doing some BP editing. But it got, like, everything correct. 3-stage rocket V2, yeah. Wow, what? Okay, let's give some feedback on it. Let's give some feedback on it. ChatGPT is probably still cooking away at something. Let's see here. Do we add some side separators? Nah. Now it's got to understand width of parts. It did great. Okay, let's bring out the red circles again. Whoops. Crop. Dang. Okay. Okay. Red circle time. Circle time. Okay. Red circle here. Red circle there. Let me do too close. I don't know if that's gonna be good enough. Okay. That was really good. It didn't clip anything too. And its thrust to weight was 2.01. Which is like not bad. Let's see how ChatGPT is doing. It's still cooking. This better be good. I don't know. I don't know, man. If it's not good, I just don't, no idea. Okay. All right. That was your best attempt yet. However, you now need to understand left and right spacing. Each fuel tank is too wide, and the X space between each too wide fuel tank is, how much is it actually? Like, it's like if we go like this, it's needs to be 2 meters separated from each other, so it needs to be 2. Needs to be 2 wide fuel tank needs to be 2x radius distance. No, needs to be the width each other. Okay. What are you guys doing? I look over and chat is just losing it right now. Okay. All right. I can barely see. I'm trying to look at something on my other monitor. Did ChatGPT's almost done. Interesting. Structural integrity. I don't think ChatGPT is going to get it, but it's found the ChatGPT fandom, so maybe it's got it. Who knows? Is Grok still down? It's still increasing. That's insane. Okay. All right. This is why we diversify. Okay. Copy. This might actually work. How long have we been streaming? We've been streaming for 2 hours and haven't gotten a single rocket. One rocket left the launch pad. Claude Remastered V2. Let's name this V2. Okay. Blueprint. Copy. Claude Remastered. Was this V2? I forgot. Okay, do you guys think this is gonna work? I'm not even gonna make a poll. I'm kind of excited. I think it might work. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait a... Okay. It's learning. It's actually, like, doing it, kinda. Like, this will get us somewhere. This will get us somewhere. That's decent. This is a decent rocket. Okay. Now, and does it have the staging correct? It doesn't really have the staging correct, but it's fine. I'm surprised at how decent it is. This is interesting. Do we tell it how to do side separators? Do you think that might be like too advanced? Launch it right now. The thrust to weight ratio is good still. Let me I'm gonna tell it to make a new rocket. Straight up just make a new rocket. This is really good. The staging needs work, but we can worry about that later. Make me a... Can it just straight up make a rocket? Okay. Completely new rocket. And we'll see what happens. How is ChatGPT doing? So close. It's analyzing with Python. What are you doing? Okay. ChatGPT better be playing chess while we guys are playing tic-tac-toe. We guys. While Claude is playing tic-tac-toe, ChatGPT better be playing chess. If it's thinking for that long. It has landing legs? What? Wait, hold on. I didn't even tell it to make landing legs. Okay. We'll just see what happens. Okay. Let's make a new... No! The limit! We've hit the limit! This is going to be the last rocket from Claude that we can make. Because we just hit the limit. So chat. Chat. Claude Remastered. Final. Okay. Blueprint. Alright. Will chat do this? On its last attempt, or will Claude do this? On its last attempt. End poll. Who's gonna be the first to get a super chat? It's gonna be interesting. Will Claude cook? Okay. Alright. Will it cook? Or are we cooked? No, it's not gonna cook. Yes, it will. 100% said yes. One person said no. Two people said no. No, one person said no. Okay. Can you not spam hello world? I mean, I don't... Like, it's fine, I guess, but like... Okay. 8 people voted. Can you not spam? Please? No spamming? Yes. Okay. Let's do it. Ow. Why? We were so close. We were so close. And it did this. It did this. No! We were so close. But yet so far. Why did you do this? Where did I tell you to make this? Bruh. That's definitely not gonna work. The center part, center stage, this little tiny engine, all of that's not happening. Why? Why did you you were so good. Yet it didn't do it. Why? Go for launch added space stations? What was go for launch? Oh, in the Roblox game, yeah. Okay, wait. Is it done? Okay. It's created. It's done all this research and created a file. let's see what it has before we open it up. Separator. It got some separators. Got some fuel tanks. Got Valiant engine. Fuel tank. Fuel tank. Fuel tank. Fuel tank. Parachute. Hawk engine. So it's a vertical rocket. We just have a vertical rocket. My chat died. Oh, there we go. Perfect. Okay. Copy. Let's go. Dude, if ChatGPT can't do this, I don't know what it can do. Okay. Last ChatGPT attempt, V2. V2. Let's go on. I hear someone taking a shower in one of the dorms next to me. Okay. Copy. ChatGPT last attempt V2. It's probably not going to be the last attempt. Let's be honest. We're going to screw around with it more. Will it cook? Will it cook? It made a rocket. Is this the same as the simple... Hold on. Wait, say. Okay. Load. Is this just the two-stage rocket? Did it just copy the two-stage rocket? Where is the two-stage rocket? It made a rocket. Example rockets. Two-stage rocket. It just made a two-stage rocket. Import. Bar for bar made the two-stage rocket. Bro. Did we read it wrong? Complete below is the code for a two-stage rocket. Okay. You just copied. Okay. Let's take out the deep search. You just copied one of the print files. Make a new rocket that can get to orbit or get off the launch pad. Okay. Extended thinking time? We can make it longer? All that for the same thing. I know. Wow. Amazing. Okay. Go. See what it comes up with. We're not gonna let it think. We're just gonna go. It's thinking. It's still thinking. Alright. Let's see. User asked, is Grok still down? I really want to try Grok. Oh, it might be up. Nah, Grok is still down. Okay, we'll go back to ChatGPT then. Oh, okay. Simple two-stage orbital. We have another two-stage rocket called Kestrel 2. We have some separators in here. We have some engines. We have a Valiant engine. We have a capsule. Okay. It put the capsule last. Very interesting. Why are your oats making you dizzy? I don't know. I don't know why. Okay. Let's go back. ChatGPT final attempt 3. We'll go into here. And we'll go into blueprints. And we just go. Copy it. Final attempt 3. Who thinks this is going to work? This is a really small blueprint, by the way. There's only like 10 parts, if that. Okay. We go into the game. Let's see what happens. I don't know. I don't know if this is going to work at all. I don't know. Who knows? No. It hurts. It hurts. Why? Why? Why the stream so good? Cause it's me. Cause I'm the best. I'm gonna make this stream good. Can you not spam the message 3 times? It took a bite out of the rocket. It doesn't even have, wait, it only has 1 engine. Wait, no, it has 2 engines. Where? Oh. Bro. Why? Please. Welcome in, ancient debris. The part separator mischief is back. Dude, that was terrible. That was terrible. Do it again. That was terrible. Do it again. And we're gonna have, where was it? Thinking. We're gonna add thinking mode onto here. What more? Where is it? Was it the add sources? No. Thinking. Extended thinking time. Do it again. We were giving it maximum power. We are 40 IQ is for real. We are giving ChatGPT maximum thinking power. I need to redefine a rocket design for Spaceflight Simulator based on I'll focus on the coordinates and ensure proper attachment points for the rocket. I must avoid staying I'll let you know as it's not allowed. What? Hold on, huh? What was that? I don't know. Is Grok back yet? Maybe Grok's just needs some more time. No response. Still down. Oh. Man. This is not looking good for ChatGPT. If I hit 2,394,000 subs, I will donate 50. How much is that? I don't know why it's sending twice. ChatGPT is yapping for real. Designing Swift 2? Nah, we're not going to be creating Taylor Swift's jet. Come on. Thought for 1 minute. 1 minute of thinking leads us with this. A Hawk engine. Fuel tank. Fuel tank. Fuel tank. 3 fuel tanks. Hawk engine followed by 3 fuel tanks. A separator. Another. It didn't get it. It didn't get it. This is gonna mess up. This is gonna mess up. Right here. The Valiant is gonna be clipped into the fuel tank. Another fuel tank. Separator. Capsule. Parachute. No. Dude. It didn't cook. It didn't. I just know. I could just see it. I could just see it. Maybe we gotta tell what's wrong. After this, we're gonna tell it what's wrong. Because I just know. I just know this is not gonna work. Last ChatGPT attempt, V4. We have started this stream on a quest to discover if LLMs can make rockets in Spaceflight Simulator. Our final knowledge is that they cannot. Last ChatGPT attempt. Oh! Okay. So, what it did... Fine, that worked. This is what you did. Very good. If we add any more complexity... It took us 9, 10, 11. It took us 2 hours. 9, 10, 11. 3 hours to get to this point. Bro. Good work. You finally made a basic rocket. Now make the most complicated rocket you can come up with. Do we do it? You finally made a basic rocket? Wait, did it get the staging too? Oh my god, I got the staging. Holy shit. Damn. Okay, I'm a little bit impressed by how it did the staging there. That's pretty nice. Now let's destroy all of our progress and tell it to make the most advanced rocket it can come up with. Rocket to land on the moon that you can come up with. It's gonna make a toothpick. Who's voting for toothpick? Or do you think it would actually work? We'll have to see. Extended thinking. I'm watching at 1.05 speed. How? How are you doing this? Okay. This is not gonna work. Space Sailors probably doesn't update anymore. Is Grok still down? No, it's still down. We killed Grok. We resulted in this. This is our doing. Sorry, Elon. We just decided to make a rocket off of Grok and it said, no, I can't do this. I can't work for any other company. Oh my gosh. Oh man. This is not gonna be good. No, it's not. It's really not gonna be good. Landers, boosters, docking, and reusable stages. I haven't even told him what docking is yet. It doesn't know that a docking port exists. Unless it looked up on the wiki and found it. Considering the available parts. Okay. Heat shields, landing legs that are conformed to work, such as the capsule new. Avoid any new unknown names. With 3 Hawks and stages with Valiant engines. Maybe use a Colibri engine with landing legs for descent and ascent. Although lacking a true docking port, we can simulate with separators and staging? Or opt for a simpler CSM design with capsule new, heat shield, and parachute. Dude, I don't know what it's thinking, man. You know what? You know what we could do? You know what we could do? In Discord. In the main Discord, there's BP sharing. Every part. And we can look for every part. In BP sharing. In BP sharing. Every part. I'm sure someone has every single part in the game. This is what I'm looking for. Holy. If this can't do a mess, I don't know what can. I'm not even gonna worry about this. Whatever this comes up with, we're going straight to the max. We're loading this. This is not gonna work. Every part. And some rotated. This is gonna confuse the hell out of ChatGPT. It has rotated parts. It has parachutes. It has separators. It has fairings. It has capsules. It has these. It has whatever that is. Fuel tank. Parachute that's open? Oh my gosh. This is really gonna confuse it. Should we do it? Just to see what happens. It's just gonna die. We're gonna kill ChatGPT as well. Every part and rotated. I'm not even gonna try its design. I'm just gonna straight up upload this and see what happens. It might work. You never know. It might as well work. Was it this one? Okay, it did write a lot. 3 engine hawks, a lot of fuel tanks, cone separator. It may have just recreated the 3-stage rocket again. Okay, all right. Before we upload it, I'm really curious to see what this did. I am actually pretty curious because, you know, there's a lot of parts. I said complicated. Let's see what ChatGPT thinks is complicated. Last attempt V5 blueprint. Copy. Okay. Yep. Something went wrong. Is it done yet? Oh, it may not have been done yet. Okay, wait, hold on. It may have still been cooking. All right. Let's try this again. I may have been too early. It may have still been cooking. Yeah, it was definitely cooking. All right. It wasn't done yet. Okay. My bad. My bad, guys. Okay. Oh. I mean... Oh. It kind of broke. If it got... The landing legs are here? This is complicated. Apparently to ChatGPT, this is complicated. Oh. Oh, indeed. That is definitely something. It's one of the rocket, like, look. This just... Did it get, like... Launch the rocket? It's not gonna work. It's not gonna lift off the ground. I don't know what you want. So I think we go for giving it everything. Every part added and rotated. We're just gonna throw this into ChatGPT. Okay. I saw you wanted docking ports. So here is a list of every part in game, and some are rotated to show you how rotation works. Oh, this is brutal. This is gonna destroy ChatGPT. We're gonna give it a list of everything, and it's ChatGPT. It's just not gonna work. I know it. It's not gonna work at all. The design is phenomenal. No, it's not. How is the design phenomenal? It put the landing legs under the probe, like way under the capsule. We also should give it an image of what the rocket looks like. Every part and rotated. Holy. Okay. Is Grok still dead? It might be. I think we killed it pretty hard. Okay. Oh! Oh! We might have Grok! We might have Grok back. Okay, let's destroy ChatGPT and move back onto Grok. Let's make ChatGPT crash, and then we'll go back and see what Grok has to say. It's working. It's working. I saw you wanted docking ports, so here's a list of every part in game, and some are rotated to show how it works. Here is a screenshot. I don't know if it will be helpful, but we can see. Retry making the most complicated. Okay. Most complicated. This is gonna kill ChatGPT. This is going to. Okay, yeah. Okay, compared to the other rockets it's designed, okay, I can agree. That was pretty good. Compared to other designs. And did they I assume they fixed it? Yeah, it's coming back down. Okay. Interesting. Okay. Interesting thought process. Fuel tanks and other parts have specified heights in their properties, suggesting positions represent centers. So stacking requires calculating offsets to avoid overlaps, like placing a tank center above an engine's top edge. Yeah, I don't know about that. Cosmic Horizons mod, it's good. I'll see. We'll see. Searching for docking ports and blueprint files. Okay, it's looking for docking ports. It's looking for the structure. It's analyzing the rocket parts arrangement and docking options. This, if the thing we did last time, this should kill ChatGPT. ChatGPT should go down. Like, it should just stop working if we upload this, if this works. Let's make complicated GPT. The most complicated rocket it can come up with. And Grok is still thinking. What? It's on to absolutely nothing. I agree. It's just yapping right now. We'll see. We'll see if it does come up with anything. It's been thinking for 2 minutes. And if, like, I don't expect we're gonna get anything out of this one. I don't think we're gonna get anything out of this. ChatGPT is gonna die. That's it. Let's see if there's any status reports. Okay, it seems like it should be fine. Oh. Oh no. Oh no. It's climbing. It's climbing. Oh jeez. Next morning, YouTuber named Heroics crashes multiple AIs with SFS. Yeah, they get my IP address and realize it's the same person that crashed Grok and ChatGPT. Yeah, I don't know. Oops. Oh man. 669 views on the video. We still have no super chats. You were using ChatGPT and then it died? No. Nah, bro. I don't think so. Really? It died? It is a refresh. It is going up. It's not as bad as like 1,000+ crashes. Okay. You made SFS history. Thanks. I don't know about that. We crashed Grok with SFS. Did it finish? It's still thinking. Man, this better be good. This better be real good. Okay, planning blueprint. I'll avoid setting the file search tool since we didn't use it directly. What? Since there are no docking ports? Wait, what? There are docking ports here. ChatGPT is saying there's no docking ports. What are you on? There are docking ports. Okay. 5 Hawk engines. Oh god, what did it come up with? Using a separator as a docking ring. No. There are docking ports. Okay, whatever. We'll download this one. We need to name it Blueprint, though. Let's actually, before we look at it in-game, let's take a look. Holy. What did it do? What is this? Okay. Okay. Alright. I don't even know what's gonna happen. Okay. Okay. Let's see. Let's see if it's gonna work. I don't know. Okay, go. Oh, what the heck? Cannot load Blueprint. What happened? It's definitely screwed something up. It screwed something up. I don't know. What happened? Well, Ancient Debris, I'll see you later. Thanks for coming out. Oh. Wait. Centers 10. Wait, is that even how that works? Center 10 parts blank. It got something wrong. It didn't even do anything. It just screwed up badly. In the file was wrong and caused it to not load in game. Please fix. Wait. And send it to me in Canvas. Okay. Is Grok done yet? Why is Grok stuck on this? Absolute garbage. It is very absolute garbage. Oh, okay, we're good. It's still chilling. I think Grok is still dead. I don't think it's done anything. Hold on. Try again, please. Thinking about the user's request. I don't think AI is gonna take over the world, bro. You'd say that, but like watch this. Check this out. The reason why I don't think that I'm like kind of worried. Okay. If we go onto my channel, I have a single video back when I first started. AI generated nightmare fuel. Right? I have this video back then. I'll just show you. We're trying to come up with AI to generate a fork cat, and this is the kind of shit that it comes up with. This is back in the day when I was on Twitch. Where is it? Oh yeah, Rick Astley. Here's another one. This chat. AI was this bad at generating images only 3 years ago. It was this bad. After about a year, it got so good that it was almost indistinguishable from real pictures. Now, 2 years later, its videos have been indistinguishable from real videos. That's how fast we're progressing. Like, bro, it's actually insane. It's incredible. Oh, okay. We have it's analyzing its stuff. Let's see how Grok's doing. Is it when we leave Grok that it just stops working? Okay, what if we stay on the Grok on... Okay, what if we stay here? I remember when AI was like that, it's cool, and now it's just frightening. Yeah, it went from like frightening to cool to now frightening again. You crashed my damn phone. Bro, I'm like destroying the internet right now. What is happening? I'm gonna use my main account now. Okay, hello, welcome. Okay. Thinking about users request. We don't have a super chat. What is this top fan thing? 225 XP is the highest XP. What is the lowest XP? Vinola Base has 25 XP. There's 50 people who have been on this chat, on the stream so far. We don't have a super chat. And the goal ends in 1 hour and 16 minutes. Okay. You know what? After these, after we get... Can this keep thinking? Can this, like, not... Like... What does thinking about users request means? Who is number 2? No, that's the top 50 people. Oh, is that really just the top 50 people? I see. Oh! Wait, ChatGPT has come up with something. Engine, fuel tank separator, engine separator, engine capsule. There's 1 capsule. There's 2 capsules. 2 capsules. What are we coming up with, bruh? What kind of Franken rocket is this? Okay, copy. Let's go to the ChatGPT attempt that is complicated GPT. Okay. No idea what is gonna come from this. It just didn't do it. It just didn't do it. It might be the capsule. Please refrain from using, please refrain from using new parts. Oh wait, is it not done yet? Did I not do it? It may not have been done yet again. I may have been, hold on. No, it's done. I don't think ChatGPT is ever gonna work. No, I think we screwed it up. What if we did this with Claude? Because Claude was the closest one to getting it right. We give it all the parts and we just see what Claude does. Okay. Every part and rotated. Oh no, because we can't do Claude anymore because we're running out of the stupid requests. Okay. We're gonna try Grok from the start. We're gonna do chooses fast or expert. Because I think that sometimes is better than just giving it expert. Okay. And then we gotta go to downloads and we gotta give it these. And we also have to give it the configuration rocket as well. Configuration rockets. Configurations. Okay. Here we go again. Here we go. One more time with Grok. And then after this, if we don't get this right, what I'm gonna do is anyone who does a super chat, I will review their rocket in stream. We'll end all streams like that. If you give a super chat, JJ Animation, thank you so much. I like you. Good. I'm not gonna read that tongue twister. No. For $5 I will. I'm just kidding. Maybe. I don't know. If it happens, it happens. But super chat. Teal super chat. I will review your rocket blueprint. All over a game. Yes, I broke ChatGPT and Grok. Breaking news! ChatGPT and Grok has been broken yesterday morning by a user named Heroics. He was trying to build rockets in Spaceflight Simulator, but ended up causing mass chaos across 2 LLMs. That's gonna be on the news tomorrow. I swear. I swear. That's gonna be breaking news. Man destroys 2 LLMs. Yeah. Oh, it's gonna be bad. Sorry if you've been quiet for a while. That's fine. Oh man, I like you. What? Thinking about user's request. All Grok's been doing is thinking. Is Grok gonna have anything? Is Grok gonna do anything? Is Grok still broken? Is Grok still broken? It's either thinking really hard or not thinking hard enough. I think it's still broken, man. You broke my second damn Wi-Fi router. I'm in your Wi-Fi. Dude, we gotta get one thing from Grok, at least. At least one thing. Come on. Come on. Come on. Please. Grok, please. Anything. Is it still down? I swear. Watch the spike go back up again. Oh, okay. We're like the last 2 people to get Grok recovered from. Power grid is out worldwide. Oh my god, did the dirt block leave? No, that was ancient debris, bruh. Dude. Come on. Quick answer. Let's get a quick answer. Reading attachments. Below is a complete and original JSON blueprint with a 4-stage orbital rocket designed in the style of Spaceflight Simulator. The style of we're cooked. Cluster of 7 parallel boosters, 3 center and 4 outer for high initial thrust. Core sustainer with cross-feed capability. Vacuum optimized upper stage. What did it do? Oh my god. Did it actually get the X right? 13, 18, 8.5. No. No, chat. I think. Wait. 9, 10, 11. I don't think this is going to work. Wait, unless it rotated the separators. Did Grok cook? We'll see. This will be Grok's first attempt. Okay, Grok attempt 1. Okay. None of the other LLMs got this. So if Grok can do anything, if Grok can put anything on the board, I don't think it's gonna work. I actually don't think it's gonna work. It looks like it got the formatting right somehow. Okay. Immensely surprised if this works. We can only dream, can we? What happened, bro? Remove the comments. Remove the I'm gonna tell it to remove the commented. Okay, remove the commented section from the BP. Okay, it might be the comments that are screwing it up. I might destroy the entire internet. I might destroy Starlink with this. Accidentally. Think harder, more like try harder. What is going on? How many... What is Grok doing? Spam capture the moon? Like Gru? Tonight we will steal the moon. Okay. No shot this works. No chance. Grok gets finally revived and it's just completely broken. Okay. Is this gonna work now? It's just yapping. I saw a bunch of stuff. I did not see a working rocket. No. Something in the JSON file is wrong. Take a look and fix it. I'm too lazy to actually go and look myself. So I'm just gonna have it say go take a look. Okay. Grok can't even get that far. Grok came back. Maybe it's still waking up. Grok is in honk shoe mode. Maybe it's still waking up. Welcome, Ancient Debris. Welcome back. Grok is back as well. 2.5 hours into stream and nothing's working. That is so true. I don't think Grok got it. Oh, Grok is like the dumb emoji, like small brain. Small brain emoji. Images. Where is it? Small brain meme. This is Grok right now. This is Grok. That image right there is just Grok itself. Oh, we screwed it up. We screwed it up again. We clicked off the screen and it caused Grok to screw up. We try again. You gotta go now? No! I'll see you later. Oh, man. Come on. If Grok can't get this, I'm gonna review blueprints for top chats. Not top chats. The goals. The super chats. Georgie, welcome. Wait, are you in the SFS Discord? Like are you the I don't know. Gaining XP again? Let's go. Okay. If Grok can't do this, I'm going to review blueprints for super chats. The air conditioner plug? No. I'm going to have nuclear power plant meltdowns because of this. Come on, man. Come on, man. Please. I don't even think it's thinking. It's still broken, I think. Like, the thinking mode is broken. Let's do a quick answer. Thinking mode is just off the table right now. Okay. Below is the corrected... complete... two-stage rocket? Did it make a two-stage rocket? This does not look like a two-stage rocket. No! It doesn't understand what I'm asking. Okay. What did it say? What is this? Paused? Paused. Okay. I don't even think this is how this works. What the hell? Oh, it's it's printing all the rocket. Oh man. I gave it brain damage. Should I start roasting it saying GPT is better than you, do better? Oh, it's screwed up. It's screwed up, guys. I think towards the end somewhere. No chance. No chance Grok can actually do this. We're still on Grok attempt 1. It's just not working. Nazril Ham, welcome. We're trying to get Grok to work and it's not. It's not working. Okay, now I'll be reviewing blueprints on stream for super chats. Okay, so I'm gonna do a ping everyone again. And we're doing join the stream if you want me to review if you give a super chat. Okay. Gonna do another everyone ping. Send now. Alright. Part 2 to this stream. Since Grok doesn't work, we've killed Grok. ChatGPT doesn't work. Well, and Claude AI is like the closest we've got to making an actual rocket. And getting it off the launch pad. Now I'm giving your house a mental breakdown? What? Okay. Okay. So, start another goal. 10 super chats. Light blue and higher. Timer 2 hours. I'll review super chat. Okay. What game? Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Did I see Spaceship is in the chat, guys? Welcome in, Spaceship. How's it going? Dude. No way. So this game is called We Broke Grok AI multiple times. Holy shit. Well, the chat definitely recognizes you. Welcome in, man. How's it going? Chat, do we want Spaceship in the stream? If he's available. Should we bring him on? I don't know if the audio is gonna work, but it might take a sec. Do we invite him to review blueprints with us? If he can make it. Dang. Okay. Also, Spaceship, are you coming to VidCon next year? Now you're pressured to say yes, because you're in front of an audience. Sends one message and leaves. Okay, wait, hold on. That's funny. Okay, so let me see here. Where is the goal? Okay. I'll review your blueprint for a super chat. And then we do start goal. Okay. How do I stop the other goal? He's gonna be very disappointed. Yeah, probably. Remove goal. Remove. We're gonna start a new goal. Start goal. There we go. Perfect. He left. Oh, shoot. All right, wait. First super chat is from Spaceship. So, I will be reviewing your blueprint. Oh, man. Thank you, by the way. What blueprint do you have for me? You can just DM it to me. And we'll take a look. He's gonna start streaming right before I end stream so he can take my viewers. That's what he's gonna do. You can just send it either through DMs or how does he have #1? He's #1 top fan? What? My blueprints suck though? Exactly, that's what makes it fun. I know your blueprints suck. I just want to donate. Oh, thanks. I'm just kidding. Your blueprints don't suck. Slightly. Wait, oh, Spaceship. You want to see what we did last stream? The idea was that I get 5 minutes to make a rocket that can orbit, to make Sputnik mission. I have 10 minutes to make, what was it? The Venus lander. I have 15 minutes to make Apollo 11 moon landing, 20 minutes to make the Mars rover landing, and I cut it in half, but half of 25 minutes to make the Voyager 1 spacecraft, and then do the mission after the things. So here's the result of those rockets. I'm like, don't know how I did it, but here is last. Did I have? I don't think I saved the rockets. I don't actually think I have the rockets here. I think I sent them in chat last, like yesterday. Not yesterday. But like, I kind of cooked. Not gonna lie. Chat can back me up on this. I didn't save any of them. I should have. Venus base. What is that? But yeah. What the heck? Someone's spamming. Verdicts, thanks for catching that. I can speak French. Okay. We got a super chat. Wait, it didn't count for the next the goal. But Spaceship, thank you for joining. Let's see here. What do we do now? I don't know, what do we do? Okay. 4. My tablet just gave up and blue screened? Nah. No, bruh. Tablets don't blue screen. Well, actually they do. Let's see here. What challenge do we do? While we wait. Actually, let me pull up the blueprints from last stream. And I'll put them in the Discord. That's what we're gonna do. We're gonna find these blueprints, because I do actually want those blueprints. The goal is 10 light blue super chats. Mine doesn't count because it's green. It says 10 light and above, but I think as I was changing it out, it didn't make the goal. Yo, check my blueprint. Okay, let's go, darling. Thank you again. Darling comes in with another donation. Okay, let's see here. Send the blueprint in my DMs and I'll review it. And then we'll try getting these. We'll do a blueprint reveal. Also, Spaceship, I do want to review a blueprint from you. You're not getting away. Okay, let's see here. Check a blueprint. Darlin, do we have send? Oh wait, is it in the chat here? Oh, that's a good idea. So someone sent me the wiki parts for the wiki page for all of the parts in game, which shows the mass, the heat tolerance, the fuel capacity, the thrust speed, torque, consumption, generation, all this here. That might be good information for ChatGPT and Grok to go off of. Okay, Darlin SFS. We have a blueprint from Darlin. Hopefully it's nothing crazy. Or hopefully it is crazy. Who knows? See if it works. Watch it crash the game. Let's see here. Fine, I'll send one. Let's go. Chip is gonna send one. Share. Download blueprint. Okay, here's Darlin SFS blueprint. It's downloading. Okay. Okay. Nah, you actually made this? No way. Sent you in mod and DMs? Play it for the next hour? 25 PLN. What is that in USD? It doesn't matter. It doesn't really matter. Okay. What is this mod that you sent? But first, before we do that, W verdicts. First I gotta check this out. This is a pretty good, what? I don't know my rockets, bro. Is this the Starship, I think? The most common blueprint ever to be made. It's a really good Starship, by the way. How many parts is this? How many parts? What is the total part count? Wait, we don't just have a total part count? Parts 0. Wait, why does it say parts 0? Wait, why? Why does that say parts 0? I'm so confused. But we have the chopsticks bit up here. We have the top of the. Okay, you sent one in DMs. Okay, I'll take a look at that. The top half of the rocket. Let's see. Oh, what's in here? Oh. What the heck is under here? What did I find in this blueprint? Are these engines? No, these aren't even engines. Holy. Jeez. Okay, wait. I think my SFS just crashed. Okay. Blueprint review. Wait, oh. No. Because there's 0 parts? Yeah, but there's like parts in the build. Okay, we're back. Okay. Dang, what just happened? How? Oh. Don't move all of them at one time. Why is it saying there's 0 parts? Let's launch it and see it crash everything. Darlin's gonna break my computer because of this. Oh no. It looks great, by the way. It looks amazing. Oh no! No! We're going at... Oh, somehow that stabilized itself. Oh no. Oh geez. Oh no. It's still breaking. Okay. 10 out of 10. Darlin, good job. Okay, spaceship. Let's see yours. You got a Starship too. Okay, this is Starship number 1. Starship 1. Let's check out Spaceship Starship. And see. Let's see what his chat deals with on the daily. Okay. Load. Actually, wait, no. Share. Hold on. One sec. This. Let's see here. You worked really hard. I see. I think it's better than Darlin's, honestly. Amazing. Truly. I'm laughing because it's really good. Truly one of the best blueprints of all time. Spaceship, I'm just wondering, how long did this take to build? I mean, it would work. How far, wait, where's your, oh, ion engines. How many, oh. Toothbrush, rocket? What is happening? What is, okay. How many ion engines do we have here? And the part count's not broken now. 159 parts. How many ion engines are there? 112 ion engines. So out of the 159 parts, 112 of them are ion engines. 12 fuel tanks, 10 fairings, 10 parachutes. Where are the parachutes? Oh, yeah, right there. And then we got the top part of the... These aren't even aligned. Oh no. These aren't even symmetrical. You know what? I'm gonna give it a rating. I'm gonna give it 5 out of 10. A measly 5 out of 10. Are these edited? No, they're not. I'll have to send you a blueprint to review sometime. But I want to see. I want to save this. Starship 2. And I want to see what ChatGPT thinks about it. If it can rate a blueprint. My magnus opus. My magnum opus. Congrats. One of the starships of all time. Truly. Truly one of the starships. Alright, let's see if ChatGPT rate my friend's starship. Starship, please. If it can't build a good rocket, can it rate a good rocket? We're just gonna send it straight to chat. And then we're gonna go on to whatever mod Vertex sent me in DMs. Upside down DL. Oh no. Chat. I think we're gonna be moving to Australia in this next review. We're gonna do a mod review. I know exactly what mod Vertex put in my DMs. I've seen it before. It turns everything upside down. All the UI, all the text, I think, as well, is all upside down. Okay. I'm analyzing plane-like sci-fi starship with a lot of fairing parachute sides, repetitive placeholder ion parts, which might not serve much purpose. It's lacking real ion engines, so it can't actually move. This is not a good start. It's perfect. ChatGPT rated your rocket perfect, but then it gave you 8 out of 10. Oh, 10 equals perfect. Okay, aesthetics, creativity, 8 out of 10. Cool kit bash look, lots of surface detail and ports. Flight readiness, 3 out of 10. Heavy drag and mass from decorative tanks / fairings. Mixed engines and ton of side chutes, which will make ascent chaotic. I thought that was its rating. Yeah, I thought so too. I thought it was perfect. I thought the same thing. Serviceability, 7 of 10. Lots of docking ports. I don't know where it's getting the docking ports. Where did you have docking ports on the rocket at all? It's hallucinating now. But its placement is scattered and off axis. Redundancy and recovery. Capsule plus probe plus main parachute block plus side chutes equals multiple ways home. Okay. You got reusability. Drag plus mass spam. from interstage full tanks used as body panels. These tiny 0.25 by 1 meter fuel tanks with interstage skins add mass and drag but almost no propellant. What is it talking about? Is it this one? It must be that one. Wait. Why are these... Is it just because the ions can't get the engine into space? It's gotta be talking about these. Or these. It's probably these. Yeah. Okay. Let's move down to the rating. Bro's just making stuff up. I know. Stage 1. 4 Hawk engines on a single tube. Wait. 4 Hawk engines. Where are 4 Hawk engines in this build? We don't even have 4 Hawk engines. It gave you... I'm gonna say an 8. I think it's a bit generous. I think I grade it a bit harshly. I'm grading it like the professors that get 1.4 stars and rate my professor. That's me right now. Okay. As a request from Verdicts, what is 25 PLN? What does that equal? I'm so confused. What does 25 PLN to USD? $6. Okay. Yeah, I thought so. All right. Let's download the upside down mod. We go into saving. We go into we go to the mods folder here. We have to play this for the rest of the stream. We'll give it 30 minutes. We'll give 30 minutes and see how bad this mod can be. He did. Okay. Upside down DLL. Okay. Where did that download? I don't know where that downloaded. Okay. Wait, it didn't download yet. Hold on. Download it. Okay. There we go. It's downloaded. Download unverified file. I might be hacked. I'm just kidding. Let's see here. Hello? Downloads. I probably should not be showing the file paths of everything, but upside down DLL. Okay, let's restart Spaceflight Simulator. Oh no. Oh boy. Upside down 2025. Wait, mod loader. Upside down. Okay. Let's restart SFS again. You guys can't see it, but I have Stream Deck. It has Spaceflight Simulator, so I could... Oh. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, boy. Wait, hold on. Let me restart my Spotify playlist so it doesn't go into copyrighted music. Oh, jeez. Oh, no. Everything is upside down. The icons aren't upside down, though. The text is upside down. Spaceflight Simulator is not upside down. Everything's not upside down. And the menu is in the correct order. This is an oh no oh god. This is a very oh no moment. The text is outside of the box. No way. The camera is upside down too. Oh my gosh. Oh no. Try flying a rocket. Okay, let's use Spaceship's rocket and try flying it somewhere. Okay. Oh my gosh. I thought they just drop into space. What does the map look like? Oh no. Oh jeez, everything is upside down. I have a fix. You know what the fix is? Flip the OBS. No, if I change anything in OBS, it's gonna crash the game. Oh my god. Wait, Is thrust to weight ratio is 1.78. That should be fine. Let's just activate the ion engines too. What? How much mass does this have? 400 tons? What? This is actually crazy. What about the mod? This is the mod. What is the mod? It's called Australia mod. Let's build a rocket. If we import something into the... Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. The mod must be messing it up. It probably is. Nah, you're just bad at building rockets. I can't even launch a rocket? Bro, what is the... How much gravity is there? Hold on. Hold on. It's just normal. Okay. Then what happens if we go like this? Oh my gosh. What is the... Is the thrust to weight ratio just 0? I think something might actually be wrong with the thrust of the engines. I don't even think it's gravity. Oh. What just happened? Okay. This is cursed beyond all belief. What? No way. Oh jeez. What in the world? Engine heat. The engine heat is correct. The thrust is going the wrong way. Oh my god. 6.7? Kinda like it. You like this mod? And dude, everything is upside down. It's just upside down. I can't load quick save, revert to build. Okay, at least it's not backwards too. Oh my god, bro. What the hell, dude? Can we get to space though? Or can we get to orbit? Yeah, let's get... Oh no. What is happening? No. Why is it going up? No, please. Please. Out of fuel. No, we didn't even make it. Okay. Okay. What if we load this rocket? Example rockets. 3-stage rocket. And then we flip it upside down. And then we launch it. We go. What the hell? The aerodynamics are normal. I think. Yep, aerodynamics are normal. What is different? Everything else is broken. We will fly. Oh my god. This is actually crazy. Holy. This is the cursed mod. $5 to play a cursed mod. It looks like we're going up, right? It just, you know, looks like we're heading up. Orbiting left? Oh, shoot. Right. We gotta be going the other way. Oh my gosh. Oh, man. Oh, man. Can we get to orbit, though? Oh, yeah, we can get to orbit, bro. We can get to orbit. This is easy. This is easy. Spaceship, I want to battle you sometime in, like, Spaceflight Simulator. Like, we do a competition or something. How does the staging work here? What is going to happen to the staging if this is what the engines do? We are getting to orbit. Slowly but surely, we are getting there. Did my chat break again? Or am I just not scrolled down all the way? Okay. How is staging gonna look? Oh, it goes forward. Oh no. Huh. Didn't see that one coming. I should have seen it coming. So we have to maneuver our way around. Oh man. I don't think we're making it to orbit now, guys. We might. We actually could. We still could. Oh man. Collisions rip. Yep. Oh jeez. Yeah, we got this. We got this, bruh. We got it. We can get to orbit still. Easy. Time warp to here. Oh my god. What does the parachute look like? When coming down? Or up? Oh, the chat just... Okay. Wait, hold on. The chat just fixed itself. Did the stream crash for a sec? Torturing heroics? Does aerodynamic... Yeah, okay, okay. Remove the pull. Oh yeah, hold on. End pull. There we go. Let's see here. Reach low Earth orbit. Holy. Okay. We did it. Now we go back and see what happens with the aerodynamics. Because like you said, the aerodynamics was right. But what happens with the parachute? Okay. What does the parachute do? You're losing viewers? I know. I'm losing viewers. Okay, we're kind of back. This is going to be so weird. I know. Okay. Am I the right way even? Okay. What the fuck? We should be going down, but we're going up. We're going up still. Okay. Just gotta stay level. Totally normal live stream. Yeah. Totally normal. Oh my gosh. Everything's just wrong. Are we going too fast? We might be going too fast. Hopefully lower atmosphere got us. Okay. Oh, we're chilling. We're chilling. Oh my god, wait. I don't know if we are going to be chilling. How did the live streams change so much? I added donations and you guys wanted me to play SFS upside down. So that's what we're doing. We moved to Australia. That's what changed. Okay. Okay, let's see what happens with parachutes. This is going to be very interesting. Okay. Okay. What is going on? Oh, it's like normal. It's 12 a.m. for you. You could stay around, you know? Even the little cursor thing is upside down. The parachutes are right. Like, all the icons are right, though. This is funny. Okay. All right. Let's go and disable the mod, because I'm not going to play this for the rest of the stream. Exit to main menu. Mod loader. Oh. Which one is it? Which one is the mod? Australia, that one. I didn't even think about that. It's this mod here that's all screwing us up. Okay, anyone from Australia, they'll be able to see this correctly. Okay, close the game, reopen it. That's funny. Yay mods for sure. Okay, What did we want to do? Oh, that's right. We wanted to find the blueprints from the other stream, because it was pretty cool. We're gonna go to here. There is a game. How's the short doing, by the way? I uploaded a short. Okay, 4.7k views. Nice. I did that today. There is a game. You go to this in 2.5 hours. That's similar to SFS. And I want to get permission from the devs to like view it on stream. Because I don't know. It's a really small game right now. The game in front of 25. He may not want me to play it in front of people, because it's still in progress. But maybe it might be fun. It's an SFS like game, and we'll see. I might make a video on it later. But I made real missions in Spaceflight Simulator. Okay. I want the live chat on this one. Settings. I think there's a way to show the live chat here somehow. Somehow. Edit video. Analytics. Oh, we can see the analytics. Let's go. I made $2 off of this video. This is the live stream last time. We need to go to comments. Details. How to see the chat from a live chat replay option. Okay. Live chat replay option. So this is the stream from last time. Autoplay's off. Where is the live chat replay? Not available for this video. Oh, is that because I edited it? Oh no, I edited it and it... No. Well, dang. Well, someone's gonna go back and find the chat and retype in the URL from each time that I put it in here. That's gonna happen. I'm not gonna do that this stream though. That's just way too much work. You guys are gonna be bored as heck if we do that. So let's see if I can play the game. Don't be bad at the game. Do you want me to join you VC? Nah, I'm gonna just play it. Okay, this game. Okay, we got permission from the developers, but you can be in chat. VC. Okay. All right. We're gonna play this other game, similar to Spaceflight Simulator, but it's not. We should probably change the title. Verdicts, are you able to change the title on the stream? From playing Spaceflight Simulator to playing a game similar to Spaceflight Simulator. Zabel, welcome in. So this guy right here is the developer, one of the developers of this game. He is in the chat right now, and we're gonna play. Once I minimize all these tabs, holy shit! This game is called Rocket Engineer. I don't think so. I can edit it probably. I haven't. Last time I played it was October 22nd, and and it's not out yet. So if you can wishlist it on Steam, it's getting there. It's will be funner than Spaceflight Simulator. I can promise that. Based on the development that I've seen so far, it's gonna be nice. It's gonna be really nice. Before we begin, I want to change the the title Playing SFS like game. It's still in development, yeah. Can I remove the thumbnail? Can I like, hold on. I need like a good thumbnail for rocket engineers. Okay. Let's see here. Okay, let's play. It's still in development. We will see how good it is so far. Because I kind of like playtested a little bit and then I didn't playtest it at all, and now I'm coming back to it and there's changes that have been made. So, oh, Spider Pig, welcome in. We'll see. This is Rocket Engineer. Oh, new loading menu. Okay, let's create a new game. Stream. Okay. Okay. Here is the place where we're gonna play. This is the game. Here's what Earth looks like. Very nice. We're going to build. Oh, there's mountains over here. Oh, there's resources here. Should we build in the mountains? I kind of want to build during daytime. We're gonna build. I think this is where we start. This dead tree right here. I can drop. You can drop a key if you have some left. Oh, sure. I think I have 2 left. I'll wait. And we'll see. We'll see. Let's build a colony. Whoa, this is different. Here, let me get. Okay. Whoa, clear. The development console keeps coming up whenever I click colony. That's fine. Okay. Overview. So we need to build these. Oh, it's anchored to the ground now. Nice. We need to build all these launch pad, all these things for this colony. And the colony is bounded by a green circle, I think. So we gotta build all this stuff. I really think this should be built beforehand, like when the player loads it. Okay, let's see how this game is. That's exactly what we're gonna be doing. Okay, now we go to the VAB, vehicle assembly building, and now we build a rocket. Here's what it looks like. Whoa, that's harsh. That's fine. Oh, there's no grid snap anymore? Oh, very interesting. Okay. Delete. The delete key doesn't work. I forgot how we delete parts. Is it dragging it back into the menu? My cursor's gone. Oh, wait. Game name, Rocket Engineer. So it's similar to Spaceflight Simulator. It's still in development, so there's a little bit to be done. I'm just going to leave it there for now. Let's go to tanks. Ah, we have default tanks now. Let's go. Okay. And then engines. Let's see if we can build a normal rocket right now. Press escape. Oh, I see. Thank you. What do we got here? So what kind of fuel do we have? I don't know. Let's see here. Thrust is 95. Thrust is 24. Thrust is 330. Okay, let's get rid of these. Let's put this on there. And do we have a parachute utility? Parachute. Gonna add that. There we go. Press D. Oh, I see. Okay. The hydrogen engines won't work without a moon colony. What? Is this a hydrogen engine? Hold on. Okay. Hydrogen. Kerosene. Okay. This is the one we want. Okay, right. That was correct. Okay. Spider Pig? Oh, welcome it. Oh, dude, I completely forgot. I completely didn't connect the dots that you're also the developer of the game as well. For some reason, I saw Spider Pig and I was like, oh my god, it's you. But I didn't realize. Oh, I'm so sorry. Okay. Launch rocket. Oh, save. Save rocket. Default rocket. Okay. Add, sure. Launchpad, Earth colony, launch. Oh, that's nice. Activate. Dismiss. So how does the throttle work here? Well, how do I... Am I missing something? I need an astronaut. I think the astronaut should be automatically loaded into the rocket, but I have to like find astronauts, right? Okay. Exit, right? Workers. I need to hire a worker. Okay. And then I go back to the... I can't click on the rocket. How do I click on the rocket again? Hire from the colony. How do I go back to the rocket? I'm trying to click on it. Mom doesn't notice, bruh. And let's see here. Aiden, I'm not even gonna try to pronounce that name. How do we, so map, okay, map, and then rockets. Landed on Earth. Oh, I see, okay. Okay, so now we have, oh, they're waiting. Why is that why does that take 3 clicks to do something that should take in like 1 click? That should be fixed. But again, this game is in development still, so we have to keep that in mind. Dismiss. Okay, so let's go to the moon. We just went straight up. That was not to the moon. What is this blue one? Is this the sphere of influence? Astronaut update be like, yeah, I know. There is no astronaut update. There's not going to be an astronaut update. Okay. We went out of fuel much quicker than I thought we would. Add a title? Did I not add a title yet? Playing. Playing a game similar to SFS. Stef be jealous though. Let's go back to the Earth colony. Okay, that was kind of intuitive. I see. Okay, let's make a new rocket because that one went nowhere. Okay, there's some fairings. Docking port. Ooh. Docking port. Interesting. Tonight we steal the moon. Yes. 2x2. So this is 2 by... Okay, yeah, sure. Okay. Which one did we use? Ah! Delete. Delete. Take notes, guys. Developers. Take notes on what I'm not finding intuitive. It's intuitive, you're just dumb. The greatest quote of all time. Okay. Now we do decoupling. I want to rotate. I cannot rotate in this game. No. Okay. This is... Wait, your game? You have a game close to Spaceflight Simulator? What? What game is this? This is called Rocket Engineer. It's close to Spaceflight Simulator, but it's not exactly. Let's see here. Do you think KSP2 is a failure, and do you think SFS2 is going to be better? Oh, R? Use Q&E. It's much more, you know, user-friendly, I guess. Decoupling. I'm gonna make the simple stage 3-stage rocket. I think SFS will do way better. SFS2 will do way better than KSP2 because SFS has... a player base already. And well, I do think that player base is dying rapidly. That's the only concern I have for SFS2 not doing well. We're gonna add, I'm assuming it's this one, fairings. I assume this doesn't matter. I cannot get rid of this. Oh, there it is. Okay. Delete. I do think that yeah, I do think SFS will do better than KSP2. KSA now is an interesting one. They are building a lot of momentum from not too much. They're starting from not too much and building a lot of momentum. KSA, Kid Space Agency. I can play their game. I can actually play it. I do have a download link for their game. We could play it. My viewers is now at 18. I do see that. I could potentially. But first, do not redeem it. What? Do not redeem. I can't duplicate. Okay, wait, there we go. Let's add another row of engines. And how many hours? We've been streaming for 3 hours and 30 minutes. Okay. Let's launch this rocket. I cannot get rid of another stage. Wait, they all have to be in a stage? Oh my god, no. Okay. Stage 1. Stage 2. I don't want... Up stage 2. Stage 1, stage 2. How does this work? I've never played with the stages before. Stage 1, stage 2. Dying community is so real. Yeah. So like this game, however, has a good chance of becoming more popular than SFS 1. This game here, they just got to do a few things right. And like GG's SFS pretty much. Okay, bottom stage is the first to activate. These should be draggable. Oh wait, they are draggable? No, they're not. And I want to get rid of that stow. Brother, what the hell? Okay. I'm thinking so hard right now. What does that mean? What? Okay. Stage 1. Stage 2. That's very interesting. Do I post Discord server link? Yeah, if you want. You might get a few more players than you need for beta testing, but if you want, go for it. I give you permission. This game is called Rocket Engineer. But yeah. Let's see here. Rocket name. 3-stage clone. Okay. Save. Okay. Oh, wait, no. 3-stage clone. Am I launching? Which one is launching rocket? Oh, this one. Wait. Shoot. Dismiss. Load. Okay. Launch rocket. That's fine. I wish astronauts were automatically added. And then... what do we want to do here? Oh, right, colony. Okay. And then we got to add a worker because the other one we launched straight up in space. So, oops. And then we go back to here and we go to default 3-stage rocket. This is kind of nice. The switching rockets in the map mode, kind of nice. All right. Activate. 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 Okay. Dismiss. Dismiss. Oh, okay. I don't know why that has to be done like that. Can you try Random Flight Simulator? Is it available for mobile? I actually don't think so. Oh my god, we're going to space. Let's go. We have picked the... Oh. Oh no. Oh no. Okay. Are we out of fuel already? Bro. Wait, why is this 2 different stages? Okay. Dude. Holy. Man. Dang, okay. There is a lot to be learned in this game. Save and exit. Okay. Play. Whoops. Alright. I like the thing of an image. Maximilian. How's it going? Wait a minute. Are you the same Max from a while ago? From the summer, the robotics camp. Are you the same Max? Save and exit. Okay. Save. Let's do it again. Okay. What do we do? We gotta edit. Oh, it's not? Okay. Save. We gotta build a rocket. Wait, I wanna open the 3-stage rocket. So these engines are way too powerful. Delete. 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 Wait. Delete. Delete. What the hell? Okay. Thrust. Mass flow rate. What is the name of this game? It is called Rocket Engineers. It is not available yet. It's still in beta testing. They plan on releasing it halfway through November. So yeah, that's gonna be fun. SFS will finally have a reason to update some stuff with competition. The reason why Spaceflight Simulator has not been able to update anything, or has not updated anything, is probably because they just don't have a reason to. Simply, that's it. With this, it puts pressure to make the game actually better. So we're gonna have 2 games that we can play that are going to be competing against each other, essentially, which is gonna be amazing. So yeah. This is gonna be fun. This is gonna be really fun next couple of months in the space flight game community, the space rocket 2D rocket building community. It's gonna be really fun. Okay, we need something with a little bit less thrust. Okay, how about these guys? This might be too little thrust. There is a lot of information, like the mass flow rate. I don't even know what that means. Okay, stage 3. This needs to be moved up here. Get out of here. Okay. Okay, that looks right. Save. 3-stage clone. Okay, launch. Launch. I like the autofill. That's really nice. And then we need the astronaut. Earth colony. Okay, yeah, we have to go back to colonies. This becomes intuitive after the first time you do it, but it's not intuitive the first time you do it. And hire probably... It probably should just be a spammable button that you can just spam in a bunch of workers. Like, you're not gonna hire... I don't know, like... I don't know. Yeah, GTA 6 is coming before SFS 2 now. I feel like GTA 6 is also going to be a fail, just like Cyberpunk 2 or Cyberpunk 2027 or whatever the hell that game was. The glitchiness. SFS 2 will come out before SFS. He's thinking. Okay, let's go back to the rockets. 3-stage clone. Capsule. Earth colony. Okay. Transfer. Dismiss. My mouse is like really hypersensitive right now. Okay, there we go. Alright. Let's do this. Oh. I cannot tell the statistics of my rocket. Okay. Nice. We are upside down still. Okay. Can we make it though? Wait, all of these engines are already burnt out? What? Oh man. Why is this? What am I doing wrong with this game? What am I doing? Please. Please get to orbit. Okay, I did get to orbit. Why is my scroll wheel now weird? Okay. I can't target the moon yet. Okay, one thing to add to this game is that the probes or the capsules and probes should have the fictitious reaction wheels. That's one thing that is kind of needed, because then you need fuel to rotate around right now, and there's no other way to just rotate the rocket. I don't think. Maybe it does, maybe it doesn't. No, I know this game has changed so much. We all joined in at like a week and a half ago, and it's like already like way better than it used to be. I can now get a rocket into space within like a couple of seconds. So probes have reaction wheels, not capsules. Oh, okay. I do think capsules should also have reaction wheels. Whoops, I did that again. But that's just me. 3-stage clone. Edit. Okay, let's just do that. Delete. Okay. What if we just spam these? I also would like, when launching a rocket, here's another thing to note. Whenever launching a rocket, one thing that SFS does have is the SFS rotates the world to be upright every time. I think that's what should happen with this game, this as well. Like, we should be at the top of the world every time, no matter where we are on the world, because launching from here is pretty confusing, or at least when launching. This game is called Rocket Engineer. Bro, guys, Zavbel, I'm gonna start needing a cut from the game. So many people are already asking what game this is. You need a decoupler under your reaction wheels? Nah, I mean, I'm just using it to fly. We can't really, because our planets rotate, not SFS. I see. Oh, no, I mean, like, maybe just locally. Like, while you're in the local area of the planet, have the planet upright. Yeah, exactly. Have the camera rotate to the planet's surface when in the atmosphere. When you're dealing with stuff in the atmosphere, but when you get outside the atmosphere, it rotates everything in this perspective. That's a good idea. That's what I'm talking about. I take full credit for that idea. I'm just kidding. Wait, are those separators? Did I add separators to the top of the rocket? Nah, we're chilling. Okay. Oh, wait, okay. Dismiss colonies, go back to here. Add a worker, hire, and now we go back to rockets. 3-stage, no, 3-stage. Oh, that's interesting. Interesting. What? We'll scale the world up. Yeah, that's true. Okay. I think it just, the astronaut selection, I think it should just pull from like wherever the astronaut, like wherever colony the rocket is within, it should just pull immediately from there. And I don't. So right now, my thoughts on the astronaut part is that there's no reason to hire a person, to click on the button to hire a person in, if you're just gonna click on them again to put them in the rocket. Yeah, that's what my take on this feature is currently. And I know what the hell is going on with these fuel tanks, or these rockets. Stage 1. Oh wait, hold on. If I just go like this, I could just move this up here like that, and then this moves down there. Sure. Let's go. Okay. What? Okay, let's get rid of this one then. Wait, I can't just click on something and get rid of it? What is happening? No, what happened? Why? Why is it all separated? I just fixed it. No, dude. Bro. No. Your suggestions are noted for astronauts, but and on top of that suggestion, the only astronauts, like if you're on a moon colony, obviously you can't just hire an astronaut out of thin air. You'd be limited to the astronauts. I guess that would be in the rocket. Yeah. Because like when you make a colony, do you actually move the astronauts back into the colony, or like I guess we have to get there first. And also it is 3:46, so we're gonna have 15 minutes left on the stream before I end it, because we've been streaming for 4 hours. Because the atmosphere is so low, I want to try something. I just want to try something here. Astronauts at colonies. Can I duplicate? No, I cannot. How many people joined the Discord since you posted the link in the chat? Not that low for 3 hours in. I mean, we do have 16 viewers. I mean, that's not bad. I'm just also really hungry. I haven't ate much other than eggs yesterday. I only had eggs yesterday. We build. Search up. What is that? Verix, can you search that up? I don't know what that is. Wait, can we import a rocket? No, we can't. I do want to play around with crash physics. See what you guys have done in terms of like crash. Stuff crashing into each other. And making the... I want to make a hinge as well. Some brown dwarf star, apparently. Okay, cool. Thanks. We're gonna keep building up. We're gonna keep building into space with how small this planet is. D. Right. I do think WSD should be rotate. It just makes a lot of sense. Like, I know you guys don't want to make the controls similar to Spaceflight Simulator, but if you're trying to target the same audience, I would make it native to what everyone's used to. Where's this rocket gonna go? I don't know. It's gonna spawn in space. We're summoning a lot of fuel out of nowhere. I'm not even adding engines to it. I just want to see. We've only built this high. Oh. Oh, okay, it's gone. It's just straight up gone. I keep doing that. Why do I keep hitting save and exit? Is that the first thing on the menu? What game are you playing? This is called Rocket Engineer. It is not available on Steam yet, but it will be. The demo, the playtest would be halfway through November. Infinite space, yes. Free infinite space is so true. I did it again. What the fuck? Okay. Edit. Can we like copy this? No, we can't. Oh, what? Tank scale mode? Wait, what? What does this mean? Oh! Wait, what? We can only do 4? Nah, that's boring. Boring. Lame. We can only do 4x4. And I can't even clone it too. I can't even like duplicate it. Nah, max of 4 is boring. So many people are gonna hate you for that. Not hate you, but you know what I mean. Try to recreate a real rocket. Bro, I'm struggling creating a rocket. I cannot create a real rocket right now. As much as I would love to. Wait, what if I go like this and then create the tank scaling mode? I cannot do that. I see. Oh yeah. I'm tired. Oh my god. We've been streaming for so long. We have 9 minutes left of the stream. Let's see fairings. I want to see what just R for rotate. Do fairings? What is happening? Oh, so they don't collide. Right. Okay. Interesting. Ah, no, shoot. I keep doing that. Wait, how do I delete the rockets from the world? How do I do that? How do I delete? I have an idea. I just need to move things off the launch pad. What would W and S do? Flip it vertically. A and D would flip it horizontally, and W and S flips it vertically. Oh. Oh, interesting. Okay. We're almost off the launch pad. We have stopped moving. How do I get things off the launch pad? The launch pad clearing needs to be a thing as well. Whenever you launch a rocket and it's on this launch pad, and you launch another rocket, anything in this like bounding box should be deleted. That's another thing that SFS has that's pretty nice, to prevent this from happening. How many people did you guys? Okay, let's see here. Click destroy. Oh, that's so tiny. I didn't see that. Wait. Land on Earth. Okay, destroy. Okay, we go back to build a rocket. This should be again 1, 2, 3 clicks to go to editing. I wonder if that can be removed. Thropic person, hello. Clifford, hello. Welcome again. Okay. Let's see here. What did I want to do? Ah, right. I want to screw around with collisions. Oh. Is there a rocket in here? Wait a second. Yeah, okay, hold on. Save. So, let's see here. How do I go back to build? Where's the build? Destroy. No, destroy. Okay. Build. The build menu should be within the, while you're flying a rocket. You click build and it says revert to build or some other button. Revert to build or destroy rocket and revert to build or something like that. I think that should be something, but I want to. Where did the capsule go? Bro, where'd it go, bro? What the hell? Also, there should be grid snap placement, because, like, this versus this is kind of confusing. Oh, wait, hold on. Yeah, that's what I want to try. If we build 2 rockets, revert to build and build, yeah, new rocket like SFS, exactly. Build new rockets, and we launch. What? Guys, I think we might have another issue. What the hell? Alright, wait, let's try that again. Boom. Oh. How did that delete? Interesting. That's so strange. Has 1 root part. Oh, so the rest delete? Man, I don't know if they should have a root, if root parts should exist. I mean, like, it's... Hey, James, how's it going? Oh, we have 3 minutes left. Okay, let's come up with something. Oh, that's why I can't have separate parts. I see. Destroy more. Get this out of here. I cannot place this down now. Oh, there we go. Escape works. Okay. I want to try... making a hinge. You're great. That's good. That's good to hear. Okay, so we have to delete this part, and then we go to oh, not that part, just this one. Oh man, I can't even place parts down. Okay, and then we do height point. Ooh, this is interesting. What is this? This is a game called Rocket Engineer. I am kind of playtesting it right now, sort of. Point 1. Let's make a really rotate. Okay. I'm also hitting Control C. Is it just Control that edit? Okay, it's Control that edits the thing. Rotate. Okay. Control 0.5. Oh, oops. Control 0.1. Close. I've only ever done Roblox scripting. How does this work, guys? What? What are you doing? Okay, and now... Okay, we need... So, one thing that we need... I don't know if this is possible. I think this could be possible. Okay. D is delete. I'm still bounded by SFS stuff. So parts can only attach to the green square bits. And we need something like this. this is gonna be complicated. I don't even know if this is gonna work. Let's see. Let's just put a fuel tank right here and see what happens. And then we need control. Let's just do this. Control the rocket and press destroy. Huh? That's not what I built. That is definitely not what I built. Oh my gosh. Okay. It is now 4 o'clock. Not 4 o'clock. It's now 1 o'clock. It's been 4 hours. I'm gonna stop the stream before I give myself more brain rot. Not because of the game, just because. Yeah. I'm gonna, like, I need food. I need food, man. So yeah. Thank you guys for coming out. Thank you guys for the super chats, verdicts, Darlin and Space Chip. Appreciate it. And I will see you guys next weekend at the same time as right now. I will be streaming again. Yeah. So that being said, thank you guys for coming out. Thank you guys for watching the pain of trying to get an LLM to make a rocket, which didn't work. We broke Grok. ChatGPT broke. We blew up someone's house. I'm just kidding. Everything went so bad with the LLMs, and then we decided to play this game. So this was fun. I had fun. Hopefully this becomes a video. I don't know if this is gonna become a video. I might have to revisit this concept and actually like do more prompting to get better rockets and then come back and play the game, because we progressed nowhere. That being said, it's been nice. I'll see you guys in the next stream. Take care, take it easy. If you're not already in the Discord, you better join it. Here, hold on. I'm gonna send a Discord invite. Invite people. Create. Invite people. Copy. I post it in here. Join the Discord. Whoops. There we go. Join it. Join up. Yep. I'll see you guys later. Take care. I'm super hungry. Get out of here. Goodbye.